Morning, everybody. All right, man. I had not checked this since 30 minutes ago. We're looking pretty sweet in the pre-market. All right, let me make sure everything's working here so I can stop stressing out. All right. So Mara, Mara, man, let's go, dude. Mara is it's doing her thing for once, man. Hell yeah. About Mara, I actually just sold out. I sold out. Well, not sold out. I'm basically sold out though. I only have 2 shares now. Yeah, I took profits, man. Hey, man, when you were up 20%, I was actually up like 25% if you don't consider the shares that I held a while ago. It was up like 25% in 2 days. So not taking profit there is just, for me, I'm 90% in stocks right now. Like, I was before selling out basically. Now I have a little bit more buying power. So it's just reducing that risk, locking in the profits, man. You can never, taking profits is never a bad thing, even for BioNano itself. Okay, now I have not sold a single share for this in weeks, maybe months, but even if I were to take profits, not take profits, am I even green on BioNano right now? Okay, I am. I'm 1% green right now. Anyways, taking profits is never a bad thing. What's up, my friends? What's up? Let me check the news here. I just got up. I have not checked anything. Let me check. Oh yeah, Fintel.io. I think people were talking about some new institutions loading up. Am I right? A couple more, if I am correct. No, okay. Well, well, anyways, we still have a ton. Okay, no, we do. We do have new ones. Okay. Wow, I didn't even see this one. What the hell? How did I not see this? I checked this like 7,000 times on the 18th. Wow. All right, we've got a couple that I've missed here. Okay, so we've got Jane Street now has 1.2 million shares. Their average price can be $5.58. Goddamn, all the institutions are manipulating, getting in that March 5th low. I swear to God. This is what's important though. The shares changed percentage. So 236%, right? So they didn't only double their position, they tripled. They tripled their position recently. That's what this tells me. That's what this transaction, whenever it was, that's what this filing is telling me. So that's very bullish. That's very bullish, my friends. 400 shares. What is this? Why would you buy 400 shares? Oh, man. And then a call by Jane Street as well. And a put. Okay, so you see, you're starting to see a little bit of a pattern. Same thing with Citadel. A lot of shares, a call, and a put. So a lot of institutions doing that same sort of thing, which is very bullish, of course. What I'm interested in is why the hell is this not changing? This was 15.44% on the 18th. Now we've got a million. I don't think they factored this one in when I was checking it. Then we got this one, and it doesn't do anything. Like, okay, then. Yes. Yeah. Oh man, I need to write that down. All right. Yes, that's something here. I'm gonna make a Google Doc just so I can remember the things that I have to talk about. Citadel. Yeah, I know, right? Let me say. All right, here we go. Let me do a bolded list here. All right. So 1 share at 1 p.m. Yep. Wait, is it at 1 Eastern time? What the hell? They didn't even specify. I saw the Weeble comment sections. Everyone's trying to do 1 share. Everyone buy 1 share at 1 p.m. What time? Eastern time, I'm guessing? I'm just going to put Eastern time for now. So that's going to be 12 p.m. Central. Citadel. Yeah, what time? Does anyone know what time, though? I can't even use my phone. My phone is the cam, so I can't even check the Weeble comment section. Someone find out for sure for me. Let me check the Discord. We've got we got 16 minutes until 16 minutes until the open. 1 share. Yeah, we're all, the movement is we buy. It's not a movement. It's just a fun little thing. Half of the people say they will and they don't do it. But everyone buys 1 share at 1 p.m. Eastern time. I'm for it. I'm for it. Who started this movement? Probably some shitter on Weeble just wanted to pump the stock, man. Hey, I'm fine with that. Hey, accumulating shares on the way down is what you want to do. It doesn't matter if you get the perfect entry point, man. The people who bought in halfway down the pandemic last year, they were looked at as idiots for the first week, and then a month later, a year later, they are literally up hundreds of percentages, maybe thousands if they bought high growth. Elon tweeted 2 hours ago, Doge is now worth, wait, whoa, what? Okay. I thought you just said Doge is worth $1 and I was about to freak the fuck out because I didn't even not even hear about that. But yeah, it's going insane. Bitcoin is going insane. Dude, crypto, man, I told we went over this yesterday. It was just insanity how it dropped like instantly. It was absolutely insane. It did not make any sense. So it was a very auspicious buy, and obviously it turned out to be just that. I think Citadel started the movement. Are you joking? No way. No way. They would not do that. That's a tactic against the hedges. Yeah, sell button on Doge so fast. But yeah, somebody clarify for me what time zone. I'm assuming it's Eastern time because that's just everything. Everything is Eastern time, so that's what I'm assuming. Okay, that that makes sense. That makes sense. Boomstick. What movement are you talking about? Well, this is the movement. Everyone buys one bingo shares. One bingo share. One bingo share at 1 p.m. Eastern time. Yep. What do you think? Is this something that we should do? I can set up a stream for 1 p.m. I can do it. Hell yeah, I'm ready. Hell yeah. Are you covering Nano Dimension earnings today? I think the earnings already came out, my friend. The earnings already came out. It was a loss of 5 cents a share, I believe. Yeah, let's see here. Yeah, here you go. Bree, they hosted. They got a loss per share. 5 cents in the hole for Nano Dimension. They were up a little bit. What are they up? Okay, they're up 3%. I feel sorry for all the Nano Dimension people, man. Oh gosh, they have a good long-term niche with the 3D printing. There's a lot of cool stuff that can be there, but this stock, God, I feel sorry for the people that are still in this. But I mean, hey, similar to Bingo, Bingo hasn't done much better. I mean, Bingo's done better than this proportionally, I would say, but not by a ton. You know, not by a ton. So. All right, but for BioNano today, right? Let's see what we're looking at as far as the 4-hourly chart here. So, God, look at those green candles, man. Look at those green candles after the sell-off. That's buying pressure, my friends. Buying pressure with no volume. I guess that's even worse, but it's good. Whatever, we'll take it. We'll take any green, right? We're not complaining, but the volume is a problem, guys. The volume is horrible. Oh man, the volume went down yesterday too, right? Yep, it barely went down. God, the volume is so bad. Let me see exactly by how much it went down. Okay, so 21 million, 19 million. Wow. We have halved our volume almost every day except yesterday from the day before. Wow. Horrible. Horrible. Speaking of volume, I can do a little rant here if you want. I was posting to Reddit. I was trying to post the due diligence again. You know, I literally go to every subreddit. I actually made a post. Let's see if anyone responded. No. Okay, I need to know non-corrupt subs that are not going to remove the damn due diligence, all right? I removed, actually, I'll tell you exactly what I did. I went to my profile and I copy and pasted the actual Wall Street Bet post, so I knew there was no emojis or anything or a link that would, you know, make the formatting go off. So I posted that exact due diligence and I added like a little explanation, some new info at the top, right? Posted that to track stocks. It goes through. It's up for about 10 minutes, then it gets removed for no fucking reason. And I've actually reached out to the mods about not removing my BNGO due diligence. But what I think this is, I legitimately am coming to the conclusion now that people are literally just fucking hating on BioNano and they're literally selectively picking not to let everyone see the due diligence that I've done. Seriously, how else do you explain it? I mean, this is not the first. They've done this like 5 times. I've tried, because this is my favorite. This is the #1 subreddit that actually makes decisions on due diligence. But even more Wall Street Bets probably. I wanted to get the damn. I can't do it. I can't post it. They keep removing it. So it's like, it's the BioNanians against everyone, man. Seriously, it's the BioNanians against everyone. Yes, it's Weeble, my friend. Yes, it is. God, Bitcoin, man. But here's the thing with Bitcoin. Right now, I think we're at a resistance level right now. Oh, yeah. We are at that 200-day EMA. We'll see if we get rejected or just go straight through it, plow right through it. But also, are we at a bit of a... Yeah, we're at a resistance right now. Yep. Here, let me move this up a little bit because that's way bigger than I had it earlier. Hold on. 41, 43.5. Hold on. 41. Okay, never mind. I was right the first time. Yeah, let me move that down to 41.75. Is that what it was? 41.4. Hold on. Sorry. 41.4. Okay, there it is. All right. Yeah, Bitcoin is at this resistance level right now. Or actually, I guess they're technically out of that already. Yeah, never mind. But they are at another one almost. Starting at roughly 43K. Wow, I thought there was a 42K resistance. I guess not. I guess I'm going crazy. But yeah, 44K. So what? 43K up to 45K flat, basically. That's going to be some probably very difficult resistance to break through. Damn, look at Mara go right after I sold her. Hey man, hey, you cannot don't be, I think this is my thought on this. Don't beat yourself up when you don't take profits at the right moment. If you're up like 20% in 2 days and you want to take some profits, do it, man. Do it, Anakin. You are the chosen one, the dark side. All right, broader markets, UVXY. Yes, I love it, dude. The markets are gonna run today based on this. The markets are gonna run today. Nasdaq's up, what, 0.5%? IWM is barely up. Okay, SPY, and then the Dow. Okay, all right. Okay, that ProShares is up. That's not what we like to see. This is good though. This is really good. When the fear, this is the #1 index right here, the fear index, my friends. That's the most scary one, and we are good right now. It's down, and that's the most important thing. When fear and panic is down in the market, in today's market, it's a great sign. It's a great sign. But of course, this can change at any moment. But right now, it's looking like the Nasdaq, it has more room to run than just 0.5%. But we'll see. And if we actually look at the technicals on the Nasdaq here, we closed the day exactly where we closed the day 2 days ago, yesterday, if that makes sense. So today it's going to be we're going to gap up. It looks like we're probably all the way up here. So we'll see what happens. It's going to be interesting. We're going to suffer together, or we're going to have a great time together. I mean, we're going to have a great time either way. So yeah, the whole 1 p.m. So did somebody clarify for me what time the whole 1 p.m. To 10 at 1 p.m. Oh, okay. Okay, 10 at 1 p.m. I can do that. I can do that. Well, actually, I do have a little bit of buying power. I have so many. I've been adding on every day for my bingo position, man. Oh, man. I would feel better about this if BioNano was red. Then I would feel better about adding. But right now it's green. But right now we're at 573. This is actually really interesting right now. We need, wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. A little bit of a kind of modified cup and handle cup right now. Not so much of a handle in the pre-market. That's very rare when sharp patterns forming with BioNano's shitty volume in the pre-market. That never happens, am I right? Oh, this is going to be an important level. This is going to be a resistance level. If we start pushing, if BioNano starts going up like 5-10% today, that's going to be a level to watch. We validated that a lot yesterday. We're going to need to watch that resistance right there. All right, how long do we have? We have 7 minutes till market open. All right, so BioNano is up pre-market. JMIA, Mara both running. UVXY, the fear index, is down a lot. It looks like the Nasdaq could run a lot more than it is right now. It can, and I'm going to have to see where we open up because my brain is not good enough to do the calculations. The future's up 0.5%, where exactly we are. Hold on, wait a second. Okay, so 322. Okay, yeah, so that fucking, okay, so that doesn't work. Anyways, yeah, we have much more room to go for the Nasdaq today. The UVXY, the fear index, is down. We definitely have the chart on our side. I would say the technicals are on our side. But here's the thing: the technicals have been so batshit crazy. Like this ascending level, I made it orange so it stands out. Because we don't even know if we can trust it. I mean, this was perfectly validated all the way back on February 28th last year. And it's been validated very well. And the last touch point, perfectly validated. So you can't really tell me that it needs to be in a different position, I think. I mean, you can adjust it. It's fine to adjust it, but you're going to miss this touch point. I mean, I would argue that that's a very important one. We got a huge bounce there and headed up to all-time highs. So my point is, this line has had the price actually doesn't give a fuck what this line thinks. That's essentially what is happening. All right. So Eastern. Okay. All right. So let me get this straight. Are we going to do 1 share or 5 shares or something? Are we going to do 10 on the Weeble comment section? Someone go to the Weeble comment section and see what they're saying or something. Yahoo Finance's chat or some chat. Some live trading chat for bingo. Are we doing 1 share or 10? Or both? Honestly, both is probably fine. Hell, just do either one you want, right? Hell, do 10K shares, right? All right. By the way, do you guys like the lighting? Did the lighting look better? It should. It should. My camera can't. The phone can't handle it. Once my new laptop's coming today, I'm gonna be able to put some good settings on it and make it look sexy. It's gonna look very sweet, my friends. 1 at 1. God, what time? All right, I'm assuming it's got to be Eastern time. If they're not specifying, it's got to be Eastern. So, all right, 5 minutes. Yeah, thank you, EJ, my friend. 5 minutes still open. I will forget that, so keep reminding me. Solidarity. Yeah, that's what people said in the Weeble comments. Solidarity for bingo shares. We're not. The price isn't gonna move at all, man. I swear. Usually these movements don't work at all. I hope it does though. I'll do it. I would do it 100%, man. That's all me YOLOing in a couple shares, man. We did that yesterday. I'm all about that, my friends. I'm all about that. Let me look at some indicators here. So the 4-hourly SAR we still have on the let me see. Okay, no. So the 4-hourly SAR is bearish, and the 4-hourly super trend we still have, which is actually better. I actually feel better with the super trend. Here's well, in different situations, right? I like the SAR better if it's like a short, quick term, you know, sort of. Okay, the SAR super trend hasn't flipped yet because it's not as reactive. No, this one we're well closer to the SAR than the super trend, and we're still green on the super trend. So I feel better about having the super trend as opposed to the SAR right now. So that's pretty bullish. If we look at the daily though, what is it at? 605. We're gonna see what it opens up at. But yeah, it's our estimations. Wait, 605. Wait a second. No. Okay, yes. No, I was right. 605 is what we think the parabolic SAR is going to open up at today. We need to hold above $6. We need to hold above 580 and 605 and 641 if we're going to get the super trend, right? So basically 580 is good if we close the day there, or really preferably actually, you know what? Let me see where it's at exactly. Okay, so 583. It keeps going up, damn it. Stop going up. Stop. Oh, God. We have to climb higher. The 21 SMA on the daily is at 3 minutes to open. What is it? 583. So 583, if we close above that, that's great. Then we need to close, we need to do the super trend, or the SAR, sorry, on the daily, which is 615. And then the super trend, which is going to be 641. And if we close above 641 today, we would have everything. We would have all of the important reversal signs. You know, of course, we're not going to have the weekly. I mean, come on now. We would have to get to 1075. Okay, the weekly is very questionable with the super trend. It's very, very late. So that's why I never really use the weekly. I mean, it's something. Always look at as many indicators as you can, but you know, fuck the weekly. It's not very important. So that's what we need. That's what we need, my friends. 580 would be good. 583, then 615, 641. Those are the levels to watch. And now we are opening in 2 minutes exactly. Did we get any news over the night? I don't think we did. Let me check to see if anyone's talking about anything. Oh yeah, jobless claim data. Yeah, so the jobless claims were better than expected, I believe. I got a notification on that. I had not even looked at the article though. Let me see if they have it on economic calendar. All right, let me click on this. Okay, so U.S. unemployment claims continue to set pandemic lows, so it's getting better. Oh, come on. Oh my gosh. Wow. You're that good. You have to make me pay for your damn. Oh my gosh. I hate you. Oh, that was the same tab too. Damn it, man. We're gonna have to look it up again. All right. Well, we still got 1.5 minutes. We still got 1.5 minutes. Everyone knows that I'm gonna probably forget, so everyone keeps reminding. We got 1 minute. All right, I won't get distracted. Fair enough. What screen do we want to open with? Bingo, come on. We want to open with Bingo. Come on. We want to open with Bingo's 1 minute chart. And then I'll put it on the I'll put it on the broader market watch list so we can watch what the Nasdaq opens up with. Okay, so this is what we're trying. The QQQ is up 0.5% pre-market. We'll see what the actual index itself opens up at. All right, so 35 seconds. Time to YOLO my last $80. Yes. yes. SNDL is important. Yes, my friend. What do you mean? Of course it is important. I checked the institutional ownership. There are new institutions loading on BioNano, but it didn't change the percentage at all, which is very weird. Very weird. I don't understand how that works. Yes. Okay, hopefully you can have the membership. Yes, we're going to do that. All right, 10 seconds still open. Lots of gas in the tank. This could be fun. Please know what you're doing if you're holding today, man. We can go down to hell or we can push. I just know what the hell you're doing if you're going to hold today. Please. 3, 2, 1. Here it is. All right. Oh, Profit taking out the gate. Profit taking out the gate. Nasdaq. Okay, now. Oh wow, Nasdaq opens. That can't be right. That can't be right. No, 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 no. We cannot be opening like that. There we go. Okay, there we go. We got a gap up for the Nasdaq. I was about to say it's a GG if the Nasdaq is about to open up like that. All right, Mara and JMIA both profit taking, and same with BioNano right now. I would honestly not be surprised if this turns green by the end of this 5-minute candle, at least, if not the 1 minute. Usually we see a lot of buyers here. It's still at a good price. It's still at a good price. We got a semi catalyst over the week, over the night. I mean, yesterday. There it is. There it is. We'll see if it holds. Green candle. Come on now. Let me go to the broader market, see what we're dealing with. All right, so it's holding about the same. It's consolidating a little bit. All right, good, good, good. UVXY is going down steadily. That's what we like to see. Oh God, that's painful. That is painful right there. Dollar is down. Pro shares, TQQQ pro shares are up. That's weird. That is very weird. SPY and Dow are up. Nasdaq is leading the pack. That's what we like to see. Russell's getting killed again today. Didn't this underperform yesterday as well? It was at the start, at least. All right, so BioNano is 566. Let me check level 2 data. God, there's no volume. There's no volume whatsoever. God, we do have a 16K wall at 557. That's pretty cool. Oh man, that sucks though. That really sucks. There's no volume whatsoever. I already know there's gonna be no volume today. Let me actually pull up the volume. Okay, so we got 7 million, right? That's not 7 million. Okay, so 540K. Yeah, that's more like it. 700,000 more maybe. Okay, there it is. 500,000. Yep. All right. God, man. Well, the Nasdaq is pushing. BioNano is bleeding though. Very, very weird. I would not be surprised. Hey, who knows? Hey, this could be a cool off day for BioNano. The Nasdaq could go green 2%. BioNano could go red 2%. Sure. But right now, it looks like this is a great buy right now. Honestly, I'm gonna have to buy if this keeps dipping. I'm gonna have to buy some more if this keeps dipping, man. It's getting close to my cost base. It's getting very close. If anyone wants to know how many shares I have of BioNano, right there, my friends, right there. Mara is wow, look how volatile Mara is, man. It's so volatile. JMIA is doing well. I am looking to get out of this call at some point. I'm looking to sell this at some point. I guess I do have a little bit of time. You know what? Actually, you know what? No, I'm gonna keep that a little bit longer at least. Oh wow. Ooh. Wow. All right. If we go down to 550, you know I'm adding shares. You know I'm adding shares if we see 550 again. Anything under my cost basis is a steal. How many shares do you own? It is right there, my friend. I own 1,412 shares as of now, looking to increase that over the next few months and weeks and days and today. It'll start running when people start FOMOing. Yes, it will. Yes, it will. But yeah, BioNano is seeing some serious profit taking out of the gate here. Very weird. I did not expect this whatsoever, but yeah, always a possibility. Broader markets, Nasdaq still going. Look at that nice gap up, man. All right, look at it consolidate. All the Nasdaq scares me so much. This is why I took profits on Mara, man. The Nasdaq can screw everyone over just like that. Let me look at some indicators, see if we have anything interesting here. Let me see if we have let me see the indicator, oh, there we go. All right, 30 minute. We just got the SAR flip on the 30 minute. That's good. 1 hour, good. That's very good. 2 hourly, that would be very nice. All right, we don't have the Supertrend, but we have the, or no, excuse me, we don't have the SAR, but we have the Supertrend. That's good. It's not exactly what we want. And the 4 hourly, the most important out of all of those by far, in my experience, the SAR is still green, my friend. And that is one reason why I was not freaking out when we had that gap down 2 days ago, right? Because it was just bullshit. We got the flip and then we started freaking out after we got the bullish confirmation sign. Like, really? Plus the fundamentally, it is shit how the markets are just, I don't know. It's a little bit of shit, I would say. A little bit too much panic. No. The UVXY is running now. No. This is not good. Is high growth getting killed today? That might make sense if high growth is getting killed. So microvision up 2%. Nano dimension doing well, 5%. Skills in the green. MP getting killed again. MP. Oh my god, MP, man. MP. Oxygen not doing anything. Oh, no. Stop it. This is the bad one. We want this to go down. Dang it. Okay, good. At least the 1 minute band is there. We can get a little bit of resistance there, hopefully. CTXR not doing anything. AMC. Oh, AMC is down to get. Dude, this is about to get. This is in the buy zone now. Technically, I would wait till if you can get $12 flat for AMC or $12.20. That's a much better. But this is not a bad entry point right now. You are at a support level. Nasdaq needs to break 13.4K, huh? Let me see what you're looking at there. 13.4K. Yeah, there is going to be a little bit of natural resistance there, but from my chart, I don't think there's anything crazy there. Not really. So yeah, I would say honestly, I would say 13.43, but yeah, that's basically 13.4. There's going to be a lot of resistance at 13,426 roughly. Nasdaq is still going. Wow. And the Dow is going down. Let me check the Dow here. Yeah, the Dow and SPY are both bleeding. The Nasdaq is gone though. Okay, wow. Back in the good old days, this is pretty sweet, really. Oh wow, IWM is way down today. All right, small caps are doing horrible, and then a couple tech stocks, and the Nasdaq is doing great, and then everything else is doing eh. That's my extrapolation. BNGO bingo is red. Robbie enters the chat. Yeah, this is I'm gonna add shares if we keep bleeding here. I will be adding shares. Let me check the 30 minutes, see what we're dealing with. Did we get anything bad? Okay, look at that. We just got the SAR green flip actually, and we did get rejected at the 30 minutes Supertrend though. That is not what you want to see. That is not what you want to see at all. So you got one reversal, but you got rejected at the other perfectly. So mixed signals there. And that's the problem. When you look at all the different time frames, there are mixed signals all the time. That's why it's hard. You have to have a lot of experience with these, I would say, to be great with them, I would say, in my opinion. Mara up 10%. Mara, man, oh my gosh, all the people yesterday, I swear the Bitcoin bears are even more retarded than the BNGO bulls, BNGO bears sometimes. Man, 10%. I mean, this was an easy one. Come on, who would not buy Mara when it was at down 19% in the pre-market yesterday? I mean, that was the easiest buy I've ever had. That was an easy 20-25% gain. I already took profits mostly. I only have 2 shares now. Damn. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna add shares at 551. I think I'm gonna do 551. Try to get an order filled there. If we keep dipping, yeah. I want to add 6K to BNGO, but I want the right time. When is the right time? Oh man, that's such a hard question. My friend. You obviously know the disclaimers, blah blah yada yada. Please make your own decision, my friend. But I would just say if you're not sure, I would say average in. And there's not one magic point where I can tell you that just to add. I'll tell you this. If we see 530 again, load the bow. 530 or fives, you load. That's your okay. It's probably, there's a high chance that we're never going to see this again. That's a load sign, but we're not necessarily likely to see that, I think. So it's more realistic 550 if we see carnage today, which it looks like we might, although right now I think it's more likely that we go, upside from here, just given that the Nasdaq is pushing, and really small caps aren't doing that bad. Wow, look at the Russell. Wow, that's why small caps are having trouble, and the fear index is still going up. Damn it, that's going to be a problem, boys. That is a big problem. Damn it. Microvision not really doing anything. Yeah, the small caps are just sideways today mostly. There's not anything really moving today because it's so indecisive. The Nasdaq is doing great, but the IWM is doing god awful. It's still going down. You have to be kidding me. And then the SPY and Dow are basically even. SPY is doing well. Man, very weird day. Very weird. But to answer your question, oh man, yeah, if it hit 4, I would keep buying power just in case we hit 4, man. There is still a chance. I have a lot of faith in BioNano, as you guys know, but the people that invest in BioNano, they don't fucking have faith. We have Robbies and Dr. Peppers, my friends. I don't think you would get 551. I think there's a high chance that we don't get 551, but I will load I will not load, but I will add a little bit. Another boring day. Yeah, it's boring right now. Hey, you never know that it's only 9 minutes of the market, man. big selling. Dr. Pepper, big selling when we're down. We're not even down yet. Dude, come on. Dr. Pepper, we're not even down right now, really. And that's, that's when you know it's bad for the bears, when they're bragging when BioNano is like not green 5%. That's when you know it's bad. Oh, yeah, by the way, bears, Dr. Pepper and Robbie, how were those shorts going from yesterday? Yeah, they shorted at market open, I guess. And then, yeah, we just consistently climbed the rest of the day. Here, let me show you. Let me show you on the 5-minute chart, actually. They were shorting right in the market open, and then literally their shorts just got obliterated through the rest of the day. Oh, man. That chat is scared to hold BNGO. Keenan Graces, is that what you're talking about? I've been trying to talk them off the ledge. God damn, dude, what is people this pisses me off. Oh my gosh, send them. Okay, I'm not mad at you, my friend, but I'm mad at the people who are like, oh, should we hold BNGO? Should we get out? Is it too risky? Show them the damn document. Show them this. Link them this, man. Here, you know what? I'm going to make it easy for you. I'm going to make it very easy for you. I'm going to send the link to you. You copy the link and tell them, go read this, and then tell me you're bearish on BNGO. All right, here we go. I'm gonna do this right now. All right, here we go. Full bingo DD. All right. Can't type. Get it there. Okay, there we go. All right, there we go. I'm gonna pin it as well for you. All right, boom. Boom. Let me check the bingo. Let me check the bingo subreddit. See if we got anything new here. Probably don't. We got some apes in the subreddit here. We have some apes. We're gonna go over that in a little bit, but right now we gotta check this. Nasdaq is still going. All right, Russell is bouncing. All right, Bingo's about to bounce right here based on the Nasdaq. Bingo's about to bounce right here. I'm gonna add a couple shares. Please don't follow me blindly. If you are about to do this trade, I'm gonna add 20 shares. All right, there we go. Please fill. It's either what. There's two things that's gonna happen. Number one, it doesn't fill, or number two. Oh, there we go. All right, I think it filled. Yeah, filled. Let's go. I think it was at 558, 559. I think. Yeah. Please go. I kind of want this thing to go to 551 because I kind of want to just spend the. There's a part of me that really just wants to drop all of my buying power. Like, how many shares can I load? 265. There's a part of me that wants to buy 265 at 551, but you have to have a little bit of risk, man. A little bit of risk management is wise, even for the hyper growth crazy people like us, my friends. Thanks. All right. Yeah. I changed a few. Change their minds. Change their minds, my friends. Do it. Do not let them think that, oh, it's time to sell out of BNGO. No, no, no. If you want to short-term trade it, like, okay, if you want to sell out like half your shares, maybe even that I would not recommend. It's just not an auspicious thing. It's not a high, you don't have a high probability of being successful of waiting for a dip to $3 or something. It's just not, the chances that we go higher than go lower it's such an auspicious thing for the bulls, for me. K&K, my friends, I don't know if you can tell, but the lighting is on and it is sweet. It is really sweet. Out of my phone, when I can see my face. Right? It's like the mirror thing, right? I can see myself. The lighting is absolutely amazing. But since the damn camera, not even the camera, the laptop setting, my laptop, the CPU, the FPS, if I literally put decent settings on, FPS suffers. So I can't. But my new laptop is literally coming in today. Hopefully they didn't die on the way here, which happens sometimes for me. But what do you call it? Yeah, it's gonna get way better. The video quality, I swear to God, it's gonna get way better. Thank you so much for sending that light set my way, my friend. You did not have to do that. K&K, everyone tell K&K thank you. He is the reason why we are gonna have decent lighting right now, and we're gonna have way better lighting once I can put some decent ass settings on. Right now, all my video settings are literally to literally bring down the CPU usage and all, and the GPU and all that shit. I got a Ryzen laptop. I think it's like a Ryzen 5. It's got a built-in SD card, I think, which I don't really understand. I'm not a spec guy on the computers. I know a little bit, but what do you call it? Yeah, it's really nice for video editing apparently. So I'm telling you, I think there's gonna be a really stark difference in the quality now, in the audio and video now, as opposed to whenever I get the new thing set up, which that could take a couple hours. That could take the whole day. Hell, hopefully it won't. And I'm gonna use a new editing software that's gonna be way more fucking advanced. So I'm ready. I'm ready for the advanced editing. I mean, the editing software I use now is pretty damn good, but it's like we're going to the big leagues after this. All right. That was pretty corny, was it not? All right, broader markets, stock talk. God, I go on such a rant. But K&K, thank you so much, my friend. Thank you so much. Seriously, it looks better. I'm telling you, you cannot tell with the damn my camera here. You cannot tell. My laptop, seriously, it looks so much better in person. I'm going to show you for real. It's going to look way better once I get my new laptop. Swear to God. I swear to God, man. All right. Nasdaq up 1%, fear index going down, IWM getting killed. Hell yes, that trade that we just did. Man, we've been doing really well on the trades. I love when the bears get destroyed, man. Oh God. Anyways, yeah, I just added how many shares did I add right there? I added like 10, right? Yeah, 10 shares added, like 559. If you want to take it, if you took that trade with me, please don't take my trades blindly. Don't match them, but take your profits now if you don't know what the hell you're doing. I'm hodling. I'm trying to accumulate as many shares as I can while we're down. I don't really care if it's an exact price. I try to get them as low as I can realistically, but I'm not trying to play it like perfectly. Okay, so Mara is bleeding. Yep, Mara is bleeding. Is Bitcoin getting rejected at 42K, 43K? Not really. Not really. It's still struggling to push above that 200-day EMA though. That's kind of why I took profit. I think Bitcoin, it's likely that we see like 40K or even lower than that for another bounce. You know, we got killed. A lot of people are more scared about crypto now. I love Bitcoin and I trade it. I love Mora is like my most successful stock ever that I've traded. I made so much on Mora. It's so easy to trade. I shouldn't say that. That just sounds cocky, but it's easier than most other stocks to trade. And right now, it's looking like Bitcoin may have a pullback. I hope it does. I really hope it does. I like when Bitcoin gets absolutely demolished and everyone freaks out because, like yesterday, it was such a damn easy buy. I mean, that was the easiest buy in my life, literally. It was down to 30K in like an hour. Oh, it was at 42K, and then it literally just went down to 29K in a second. Oh boy! All right, Bingo is still holding. Let's go, Bingo. Let's go. JMIA is doing well. Let me check the other ones. Let me check Microvision and everything. Microvision was getting close to my buy zone, man. Dude, this is actually what I want for Microvision. You guys know I love Microvision, but I actually want a really auspicious buy. I want it to chill out for a little bit, and I want that 200-day EMA to creep up, and then I want it to bleed and then hit it. I don't know if it's going to be like at $10 flat. I know that's a big drop. I know. Like, wow, Brandon, you are really not that bullish on Microvision. Well, I am bullish on Microvision, but if I could get it on the 200-day EMA, that I would put a lot of money in that probably. It's such an auspicious trade. When you get a company like Microvision in that kind of an auspicious zone, that you can't. Those opportunities are very unlikely to happen. You know, there's so few. So that is something that I will be watching in the coming weeks. Oh, thank you so much, Sebastian, my friend. That means so much. Seriously, I'm sorry for missing the damn. I missed so many comments today. I'm sorry. When it's like market open, I feel bad though because I'm like missing the action for chats. So like I'm gonna try to read more, or at least read them all. Wait, what? Nasdaq pushing to beat YouTube algorithm. All right, let me check the Nasdaq. Yep. Oh, here we go. We're pushing above that level. Here we go. All right, we got to hold. The Nasdaq been so batshit crazy with, confirming levels. God, I feel so bad for the Bears. The Bears enjoyed their little enjoyed this. But here's the thing. None of the Bears actually called this. They only said it was going to go down at the bottom because that's what they do. They say, this is what Bears do on the channel. They look at a chart, and if it's gone down, they're like, oh, that chart looks so bad. Short put. And then if it goes up, they're like, oh, wow, don't buy that. They literally just buy high and sell low, essentially. I mean, that's literally what they do. At least that's what it sounds like they would do based on their comments here. Just bought another 400 on BioNano. Hell yes, if you did. Hell yes, but please know what you're doing. Please don't get mad at me as we go red. We could easily see 550. We could see the fours again. We could. By the way, it's the 20th of May right now. Robbie said Robbie is nowhere. I don't know if he's watching now. He said he likes to watch and keep up with it one day. I don't know why. He just gets proven wrong every day. But the 21st tomorrow, Robbie said $3 flat per share. BioNano, May 21st. He said he would pay me $1,000 if it wasn't. And you guys have the screenshots, I know. But God, that is too crazy. I don't want you to actually hold that. I mean, if he actually comes up into the channel, I mean, we can mess with him because, I mean, that's just awful. Also, talking about a little bit about the charts, we got a cup and handle here. We have a very, very nice cup and handle, but we don't have any volume. We have no volume whatsoever, man. God, look at this. It's over. I give up. What else, what more can I do? The channel has to blow up. That's the only way that I can do anything to affect the interest or volume of BioNano. God, it's over. It's over. No one. Oh. Damn it. Damn, man. Russell is green. Wow, that's crazy. That was, man, Russell. Okay, almost green. Almost green. Wow. Oh, man. Quick sell-off. Quick sell-off right there. Profit taking. Fear. Fear, man. UVXY. The fear index is doing bad, though. That's good. We want this to do bad. Other pro shares are not doing much. Good, good, good. This is what we want to see. Good. TQQQ is for some reason this one's doing good. I don't know why, but Nasdaq still above. So basically the Nasdaq needs to hold the day. Oh, I feel so arbitrary saying this, but I'll say it anyway, because in the past, like in the last week or so, literally these levels have just meant nothing at all, and literally the indicators the indicators don't mean much, but they've at least meant more than this, what I'm about to say. But I'm gonna say it anyway because it might be important. 13,420. That is what I have as the most important level today for the Nasdaq. Or, I mean, who knows? We go up 2% today, and this would be the most important level. But right now, we need to hold above 13.43K, right? So, in other words, $13,433, right? All right. Yeah. Let me know if there's any news, please. If there's any BNGO news, let me make this clear for everyone. BNGO news only. Okay, Patriots put my friend. He started doing the old news, but this is for new news, really mainly. Okay, I mean this is fine, I guess. I'm not gonna get mad if you're doing due diligence, right? But if there is new BNGO news, please post it there. Tell me in the chat and send me the link there so we can just boom, just get on it immediately, right? BNGO up 1%. All right, bleeding a little bit. Okay, we got a little bit of a handle here. A little bit of a handle. Very miniature handle or cup and handle chart pattern here. Yeah, don't let me forget, guys. Today, I've been putting this off for too long. Assuming I can set the laptop up and I can set the new settings and get the video, process everything. I'm not going to make many videos today, by the way. If the laptop actually comes today, probably. Because I'm going to get it's going to take me, I don't know, a couple hours probably to get everything ready. But don't let me forget, today or tomorrow, I need to do the email. I need to get the email ready to send for the other YouTubers to actually go down to BioNano's headquarters itself. I think we can set that up. I'm serious about that. When I told you yesterday that I swore I would make that happen, or at least try to, I meant it. I'm gonna do that. I have that written down on my to-do list, which is like, there's a lot of other things on there, but I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that today or tomorrow, I think. Don't let me forget about that. And please, if someone wants to write up like a draft email, I can literally just copy and paste. If you post in the BNGO tour and trip info chat here on the free Discord, link in the description, join that right now. Please, if anyone wants to take their time out of the day to do that, that's fine. That's fine. I will do that. I will use it. And yeah. Wow, Mara, this is what's weird. God, Mara is so weird. Mara and Bitcoin's relationship is like a love-hate relationship. They're so weird. They're so inconsistent. I mean, today, yes, they're both up. They're mirroring, or Mara is mirroring a little bit, but Bitcoin is holding. Look at the 1 minute chart. It's really basically holding at that 42K level. Mara has gone from like 10% up to being 5% up. It's like what the hell? This thing has a lot more Nasdaq correlation and high growth correlation than Bitcoin correlation sometimes, man. And this is a prime example. So you got to be careful if you're investing in Mara. Yes, you're investing in Bitcoin, but you're also investing in the markets basically, because this thing is going to do what the markets do and what Bitcoin does on a way more volatile scale. That's why it's so easy to predict though, because you know exactly what it is. It's not really a company itself, like screw the fundamentals of Mara, man. They are profitable and they are amazing things that I like about Mara's fundamentals. They have like 200,000 miners coming in, the first clean, compliant, regulatory compliant mining pool ever in the North America, literally, I think ever. Like a huge pool as those go, I think. Someone correct me on this if I'm wrong in the crypto channel. But these guys are going to do great things. A long-term entry point is fine. Part of me really just wanted to hold those shares at 19 because I don't think Mara's ever going to see under 19 again, or at least it's unlikely. But I guess there is something about it by yes. Okay, so yeah, we're doing. God, I hope this things like this we have to do just to. This is a poor man's attempt to increase the volume of BioNano. Literally, everyone buys 1 to 10 bingo shares at 1 p.m. Eastern time, and we're going to be streaming that. Okay, so 12 12 p.m. Central Time is when it is. So I'll go ahead and schedule that stream sometime. Everyone is buying 1 to 10 bingo shares at 12 p.m. Central Time. And I am fine with saying everyone, like encouraging this, because this is not my idea, right? When I do the match my trades thing, I always give you the disclaimers on this one. If you're going to do it, it's up to you. This is what everyone is doing. So hell yeah, I'm doing it. Are you kidding me? It's always a good idea to get bingo shares when it's at this low of a valuation, my friends. I think that's me. That's just me. All right, so it looks like everything is bleeding. Is the Russell shitting itself again? Okay, yep, that's what it is. Russell shitting itself, yep. God, that damn Russell, man. Almost sneezed. Okay, I'm good now. Yeah, Russell's shitting itself again. Nasdaq's doing well, though. Nasdaq is, oh, it's right below. Come on, it's right below it. You need to hold above this level. Come on. Oh, man. Oh, that Bart's comment, that really just angers me, my friend. Oh, that is so ignorant, but I'm gonna let that slide because I do that rant every day. Yeah, I agree. Dagger, something Dagger. I agree, my friends. But I try to do what I can to help those people out. Like Bart Savage, like, oh no. No worries with the suit's power, guys. Yeah, we have the suit power today. We should be good. Every time I wear the suit, even yesterday when I put the suit on, the market started going up like this. So I mean, it's kind of undefeated. It's still kind of undefeated. 100 at 1. Yeah, 1 p.m. Eastern time, right? So Central time is gonna be 12 p.m. So level 2 data. That's, oh, Russell 2000 is going up though. Look at the, God, this Russell 2000 is more volatile than anything today. Gosh dang, man, look at this. I mean, we're talking about this is 1%. This is 1% of the red right here. This is even, right? Or no, this is 1% of the red. This is even right here. Or this is basically green right here, okay? We are literally, oh, it's so volatile right now, man. All right, so bingo is doing well right now. Let's see. God, there's nothing today. This is so boring. Oh my gosh, I feel so, this is literally, I cannot help. I know this is dumb. I know I'm a small YouTuber. I know, yada, yada, right? Yes. I feel bad because I feel like I have an obligation almost, not obligation, but I try to increase the knowledge of BioNano's due diligence. And when the volume is low, I literally just blame myself. I seriously do. Like, I need to get more videos out, but I can't. And today the videos are going to be less because of the setup. It's going to be worth it though. The quality increase is going to be worth it. But this sucks. I mean, it's great that we're up, but we have no volume. We have no interest. No one can see the due diligence. I can't even post this on subreddits. I can't even post the damn due diligence on subreddit. You guys, please, I'm telling you right now, literally take my work and use it as your own. I mean, give me credit, please, if you want. I mean, if you don't, whatever, I don't even care that much. Just literally go to my profile on Reddit, copy and paste this shit, post it to every subreddit that is not going to remove it. Don't spam shit, but just try to increase the BNGO interest, man. God, we gotta do it. There's no one else is doing it. We have to be the ones. This community, we have to do it, man. We are the most active, and we're like the best shareholders for BioNano. If BioNano knew what we were doing every day, they would literally. This is why I think BioNano may actually pay for our trip. Literally, they may spend like drop 10K for us to come out, film the facility tour, and the kind of, I don't know. What's the word? Introduction on how they do things, what they're doing there, the work day to day, and then the interview with the managers, CEO, CFO, and the COO, Chief Operating Officer. That's the one I'm most excited about, believe it or not. I mean, Eric is the best. Come on, Eric is the best. Let's be honest. But I'm really excited to hear what they say in regards to their expenses increasing. Why do the Simply Wall Street analysts think their operating expenses are just going to keep increasing? I think that's absolutely patently insane. They're not just projecting them to increase. They're projecting them to keep increasing till like 2025. That's insanity. So I want to hear what they say about that. Is that a confirmed cup and handle on the 2 minute? Here, let me look at the 2 minute if it looks better there. No, I like the 1 minute better actually for this. Yeah, this is a well, yes, this is a cup and handle, but I'm not very excited about it because it's so small. I mean, even if we were to hit the price target, it's not even going to be $6 probably. Well, maybe it is. Let's see. Probably about there. I'm going to draw it up a little conservatively. So right there. Actually, you know what? But this might be $6. Let's see. Right. Okay, so 583. Wow, perfect congruence with the daily SMA. Wow, 21 SMA, perfect congruence with the 21 SMA. I would not be surprised based on that. I'm not saying this is going to happen, but based on that cup and handle, And what else we know about the indicators, would not be surprised if we test 583 in today and then get rejected and then close the day, I don't know, 570, 570 flat, I don't know, something like that. Or if the Russell 2000 gets its shit together, we're gonna break 6 today if the Russell gets its shit together. I promise you. I can't promise you. I always say I guarantee you and promise. No, I can't promise, but that's very likely, I think. Do we have any news today? Do we have any Fintel.io? Do we have any Twitter, BNGO? Let me see if we got any catalysts here, any news. I love catching news right when it drops. I get so excited. When yesterday that happened, I was going crazy when this happened, and literally I was reading so fast and so loud, and I literally read it in like 5 seconds and I was done because there's literally nothing to read here. We are streaming this, by the way. If you go to the channel, if you go to the upcoming live streams, here, let me go right here. If you go to the live streams, we are going to be streaming this presentation, my friends. May 26th. It's at 7 a.m. Central Time. 7 a.m. Central Time. Upcoming live stream right here. Yeah, I have it scheduled for 6:50 a.m. Central Time on May 26th. So next week. Next week, my friends, I want to see you there. Hopefully that's like the one time where BioNano actually drops something crazy. Wouldn't that just be awesome? The first presentation we streamed, they drop something awesome. That'd be legendary. That'd be so awesome. Long-term holders looking at 1-minute charts. Man, come on, dude. We're literally just watching the open. How are you gonna say that? It's a fallacy composition. God damn. Every time the bears, they look at one thing and they apply it to everything. God damn it, man. I'm looking at the 1-minute chart because we're trying to analyze short-term movements, buddy. We're still long-term investors. Like, what do you? Oh man, I try to respect the bears, but I just can't. I don't give a fuck at this point. Like they try to give me shit, so I just give them the truth, which is that they're fucking retards. There's no other way to say it. I mean, are you seeing the shit that they're writing? I get pissed off. I get pissed off though. They really do piss me off with their ignorance. They really do. All right. Let me just take my eyes off the chat before I fucking break my computer, right? Just fucking break everything, right? All right, Nasdaq is up. Nasdaq is confirming the breakout. Wow. All right, let's look at that 1-minute chart. See, this is why we look at the 1-minute chart, buddy, to see confirmed breakouts. This is a textbook, as of now, confirmed breakout. You break above, you come back to it, and then you bounce off of it, confirming it as a new support. I am going to move this to green. We will see. You want to see a couple 4-hourly closes. Couple 4-hourly candles close above this level, though. That will validate that as a confirmed breakout even more. Yes, the price target is roughly 5. I got 583. I got 583. Let me go here. And it's actually, technically, it should be more than that in my book. Okay, technically, if you go to the actual handle formation, right, if you start this right at the top, and then if you draw it all the way down to 555, technically, and then you put it exactly at the breakout point, right, exactly at that, technically the price target is 584. Right, I had it at 583 just to be conservative, and I'm going to go ahead and bring it down a little bit to 583 right there. Yeah, there you go. Plus, that is also perfect congruency with the 21 SMA, so that's what I think is more likely. But yeah, they're all the same. All the price charts are about the same, and you can never. The price charts are a trial and error game, my friends. They really are. So they're not like exact calculations. I mean, you can make it pretty exact, like we just did, but still, it's like you know. It's like, well, do you really want to count that wick? Do you really want to go all the way up here? It's like, well, so 584 sounds even better. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. If we get even average volume, this will be 650. Yeah. If we got anything like the volume we did on Friday, May 14th, after the day after earnings, oh my God, we're going to the moon. I swear to God, we're going to the moon. Man. Let's see what else. JMIA is doing well. Here, let me go to this one. We never checked this watch list. AGTC is doing well. Yeah, AGTC Boomstick. I saw you commenting about this one. Yeah, man, Boomstick. This one is a nice. I like this setup. I like AGTC setup right now a lot. BioLace. Look at BioLace go, man. Look at that. Look at that. I almost bought in here, but here's the thing. There were so many risks with this. I don't even know if they did the reverse split or if they're voting on that still or what the hell's going on. But man, BioLace is in good shape right now. So Medica doing nothing. That's weird. I bet the IWM is the reason why. IWM is holding everyone back right now. Okay, it's up right now. All right, now never mind. Right now it's up. IWM is in the green. I would not be surprised if the markets hold that BioNano starts making its way to the price target here, all the way up to 583. We'll see. We will see. A doctor up in Canada told her to invest in BNGO. He just bought 8K shares a few days ago. Doctors know what's up, and we are starting to get in. Green Monster, that is amazing. Is there any way, I know this is a lot to ask, that's awesome, but please, there's a couple of things I need you to do if you want to really help the community, which is, you know, do whatever the hell you want. But if you want to join our free Discord, link in the description, and send us the account screenshot or some sort of proof that he actually did that, and then ask the doctor to, like, I don't know, give his thoughts on BNGO. That would be amazing if you wanted. Feel free to not do that, right? There's no reason why you would, unless, you know, helping the community, but that would be amazing if you want to do that. Yeah, well, BNGO's kind of falling. Hey, it's doing well. It's doing well. The IWM is barely up. It's literally even. BioNano has climbed a lot. It has climbed a lot. Okay, yes, we got a nice pullback yesterday, but we have still climbed a lot from 430. Rightly so, right? We got a huge catalyst in the earnings form. But yeah, I would not be surprised if we start picking it up. But here's the thing: if we get no volume, and we're not going to pick up if we don't get any volume, we're not going to pick it up. We got to get the volume. So we'll see. We'll see. Right now we are getting well, we're not really getting that volume either. We're not really getting that much volume, but we're all the way up at 580 now, boys. All the way up at 580 almost. I'm going to check that 4-hourly cup and handle what you're thinking in a second, but right now we got to see if we hold this. Let's check the level 2. 126K and then 150K. Okay, so that's not great. That's not horrible. It's not great either. But there's no goddamn volume. We're not going to do anything if we don't get volume. By the way, do you all want me to YOLO and BioNano at 1 p.m.? Because I am, and I hope everyone is. Because 1 p.m. Eastern time, 12 p.m. Central time, right? We are all buying 1 to 10 BNGO shares, and anything greater than 10 is fine, right? Anything greater than 10 is fine. That is not my thing. That is the Weeble comment section. Someone else started this. I'm just following. So if we get killed, if everything goes down and the hedges realize it and they start shorting like hell right after we get the push, not my fault. I'm just following the trend. I guarantee you I'll buy 1 share. At least I can do that. I can do that any day. All right. Let's see what the fear index is doing. We haven't checked that in a while. Okay, good. Fear is down. Listen to this, boys. Fear index is down. UVXY is bleeding right now. That's exactly what we want. That's a great sign, my friends. Why is that a great sign? Because this thing literally prohibits the Nasdaq and IWM from rising. When there's fear in today's market, the market that we've had the last 2 weeks, and really since February 16th, really, that was the peak of the Nasdaq. That was the second all-time high, right? Previous all-time high now, technically. But anyways, high growth has never recovered from that. UVXY, that is what's been prohibiting the Nasdaq and IWM and a lot of our stocks from doing well. When there is no fear, our stocks disproportionately outperform the markets. When there is fear, our stocks disproportionately underperform the markets, right? That's how it is, because the hyper growth stocks are way more volatile. That's why you're not seeing many stocks run today, right? Skills, okay, never mind, Skills is running. That's a high growth stock. But MP, Microvision, Nano Dimension, off good earnings news, I think. I didn't really check it that much. But Zomedica, right? SENS, Oxygen, CTXR, these are all high growth plays. Low cap, high growth. Oh man, AMC is getting killed too. Wow, that's making me want to buy if that goes down a little more further. That's almost at a perfect buy zone, actually. Talking a little bit about AMC, if you see $12 flat, that's a buy zone. If you're bullish on AMC, though, okay, that's a whole different world that we never even talk about. But anyways, the high growth sector is really being prohibited by that right now. The IWM is even. Man, this thing is the most volatile I've ever seen. Today is one of the most volatile days. The IWM, I mean, it's always pretty volatile, but man, this is fucking crazy for this. We are forming higher highs, though. We're forming higher highs and higher lows, really. We need to break above the intraday high, though, right there. We've got 2 touch points there. We'll see if that comes to fruition. Only 2 data points, so it's like, not really, but we'll see. If this does well, BNGO will follow. BNGO will most likely follow. Okay, so did we touch 580? Does that say 580? I can't see. I literally can't see. Okay, that does say 580. So we got rejected at 580 perfectly. God, I would hate if that was basically the price target and we're gonna get rejected here and then consolidate the rest of the day. I mean, that's fine. That's pretty bullish, but I would feel really good if we can close above 583 today. That's where the 21-day SMA on the daily chart is gonna be. We need to close above that to be really bullish. And we are doing one. We are all buying one shares at 12 p.m. Central Time. I'll be streaming that as well. Hopefully, if I remember, I will. I'm gonna write it down. I'm gonna schedule. You know what? I'm gonna schedule a stream. Remind me to schedule that stream at the end of this one, so I don't forget. All right, what do we got? What do we got? We're up 3.21%, 578, going up for a retest for 580, maybe 583, hopefully. BNGO news on Weeble. What are you talking about? Oh my gosh, what is this? What is this? We have news finally. Finally, I've been waiting for this so long. What the hell was this? What the hell is this? All right, let's check their IR. What the hell, man? Weeble's fucking up. What the hell is this shit? I was trying to get it. Literally, it's a glitch. It's a glitch. Bro, come on. Come on. Are you kidding me? This is like the most exciting thing I've had like in the last 7 years. No, I'm kidding. Let me go here. Is there any news? No, there's not. What? Is the link working for y'all? The link's not working for me. Let me refresh this or something. Should I restart Weeble? The query was unparsable, empty search box. What? What is this? What is this shit? This is unheard of. Bro, you gotta be messing with me. Let me check Yahoo Finance. Let me go here. All right, let me go here. Come on. I need that keyboard. I'm getting a keyboard so I can type faster too. So I don't have to change. Oh God, if you guys saw my setup, you would laugh. It's pretty inefficient. Oh wow, oh my gosh, speaking of bingo, we're at 582, boys. 580 right now. We need to hold above 583, and then we will be good for the rest of the week potentially. Or if the Nasdaq gaps down tomorrow, we're fucked. But we have a good chance of continuing to push if we can confirm the breakout over the 21-day SMA. Otherwise 583, right? Perfect congruence with the price target base of that 1 minute cup and handle, my friends. Perfect congruence. I'm canceling my Weeble download. No, it's not. I don't think anyone... No, I just checked the investor relations. I think this is a glitch. Someone accidentally published this news on Weeble. I don't think they actually meant to do that. Because we're not saying the news is only on Weeble. And typically Weeble is really slow on the news. Yeah, there's nothing. Yeah, this is shit. Someone accidentally did this. Let's actually read this. BioNano Genomics U.S. Patent and Trademark Office abstract for companies' reduction of bias in genomic coverage measurements. That sounds really damn interesting. That reminds me, you know what, now this could mean 1,000 things, but this could be they're doing that, right? They're reducing the bias in genomic coverage measurements by introducing the nano-nozzle. No, I'm kidding. Nano-nozzle, that would be fucking sweet. We would be up 1,000% if that was, or at least a couple 100% if nano-nozzle would come out, but that will come out in a couple years or less. But anyways, yeah, that could be anything. That could be anything. That's probably just... I don't know. That could be a lot of things, but that's probably nothing huge if it's real. Someone send me a link in the news channel here. Oh my gosh, here we go. Okay, it's actually real. Okay, so BioNano. Oh, here we go. Yes. All right. Telling me why the stock is moving. What is this? There's nothing, bro. That's it. Come on. This is the same thing, isn't it? This is the exact same thing. Oh my gosh, there's nothing here except the headline. Oh, this is frustrating. Well, it is, I guess it's news. What the hell? They announce U.S. Patent and Trademark Office for this. Reduction of bias and genomic coverage measurements. Someone tell me if they have more details on this. We need to read the patent itself. I don't need the damn headline. Damn it. Is this BioNano? This is not BioNano. I'm gonna check it just to make sure. This is not BNGO. I don't think. No, there's nothing that mentions the sapphire or anything. Okay, no, so that's just some troll. Okay, well, thank you for doing that. Anyways, yeah, the BNGO news only. Let me see. Is there anything else? I know that literally tells us nothing. Exactly, right. That's so true. It tells us nothing. I mean, there's a patent. All we know is that there's a patent. I'm assuming they announce it. I don't know if they're issuing it. I don't know if they got it, or I don't know what the hell for this, which could mean basically anything. I mean, technically, this could mean the damn nano-nozzle. Technically, okay, let's be honest. If it was a nano-nozzle patent, it would be more, sequencing rights, something about sequencing, about nano-nozzle, nano channels, and all that crap. But But technically it could be, right? Because technically the nano-nozzle does reduce bias in genomic coverage measurements, right? Does it not? I mean, it would. If it's good technology, it would. Brandon, why are you so angry? Because I thought it was news. I thought it was good. Oh, I thought it was actual news, man. I get so excited when there's news, but there's nothing now. There's nothing. We got nothing. We got shit. We got shitted on, man. What? I mean, what the heck? Yeah, there's not. Let me check the IR again. Let me see if they're. Let me refresh this. Let me check their Twitter too. Let me refresh this as well. Nope. Nothing. Let's go here, just in case, just to be thorough. Zero. So what? I don't know if this is even real. Why would BioNano not post this on their website? Why would they not post this on their Twitter? What the all of the news that we have is posted here. Like what? Okay, yeah, 4 hourly price chart. Yeah, I forgot to check that out. Thank you. Let me check that out right now. 4 hourly. That, yes, I see what you mean. That is a company right here's the. It starts about. I would say it starts about right. Actually, yeah, perfectly. Actually, yeah, that's actually pretty perfect. Never mind. Let me draw up. You know what? Let me draw up the price chart. See if I agree with you there. I'm not saying I know better than you. Of course not. No, I'm not that arrogant. But I'm just. Let's see if we get the same number. Same here. Let me actually make this orange so we know it's the price target, right? So if we draw up the price chart for this cup and handle, right? This is what it's going to be. I'm going to draw it up perfectly. Okay, here we go. I'm going to draw it up. No. I did not mean to do that. Let me get it trying. This is the price target for the cup and handle, right? So if we draw it all the way down to 430, right? Let me get it perfectly. Okay, there. 430. If we were to break out, it would be 7. It depends on where we break out of this handle. And actually, we've kind of. You know what? Let me look at this on the 2 hourly. I think the 2 hourly is going to be better. Oh, this is a bad handle. That's what I don't like. There's no clear trend line whatsoever for the handle. It's like, have we already broken out? Was this the handle? So I have no idea. I'm not even going to try to guess that because this is a shitty handle. I'm just going to be really conservative and draw it all the way down there and say the price target is above $7. What did you say your price target was? It was 7 something. 712 is what you got. Yeah, I got. Okay, so I got basically the exact same thing. Great minds think alike. Nasdaq is doing really well. The Nasdaq is showing a lot of strength right now. Pushed above this level. I'll be fine if the Nasdaq closes the day even on this thing. It just close above it, please, or on it. That's fine too. IWM forming higher highs and higher lows. Let me look at the here. Let me actually look at. I feel bad for only looking at the 1 minute because I mean, yes, the 1 minute is important for the day, but for the actual for like the days to come, right? I want to show you guys the 4 hourly. The super trend is still bearish. Super trend is right there. You can't really see it because it's in that red level. You literally can't see it, but it comes like this and then it goes sideways, right? So we're bearish there, but we're bullish on the 4 hourly SAR. Stop and reverse indicator for the Nasdaq. This is one of the reasons why I did not sell anything because the Nasdaq, we got the flip and then we gapped down. So it was like, well, is it going to continue gapping down? Probably not. And we got a perfect support off of not only these Fibonacci levels, the perfect golden ratio, 61.8%, right? That's the perfect golden ratio. But we got to bounce off these SARs, which is typically they do act as a support and resistance level. And now we're getting a push. And now I would feel really good if the Nasdaq, you know, this is forward looking, of course, but in the next coming days, in the next few weeks, we need to get that 4 hourly flip. On the super trend, we need to get that 4 hourly flip. And if we talk a little bit about the levels that we need to break, honestly, these levels are not even that. The Nasdaq literally just, it does not even, these resistance levels are literally like butter typically for the Nasdaq, at least in the last few months. Well, I guess, yeah. I mean, since February 16th, it's literally just been play it by the indicators, play it by the fundamentals, not the actual levels of support here. Besides the ascending level was important. Now it's not. So that's a little bit about the Nasdaq expectations. I want to do a video on the actual, what the Nasdaq is looking like. Mora and RIOT are really cooling down. Wow, I'm very glad I took profits on this one. Only have 2 shares now. I didn't time it perfectly though. This thing went up as high as 10%, I believe. I sold it when it was like up 7%. So, hey, it's better to take. Hey, it's always, there's nothing wrong with taking profits, my friends. Never anything wrong with that. BioNano at 578. Oh God, we're getting rejected. We're getting rejected perfectly. I mean, that is basically a perfect rejection at the cup and handle price chart that we have had drawn up. Man, that's not good. That's not good. I mean, it is good. I mean, we'll see what happens now, but we'll see, man. We will see. All right, 1 minute SMA. 21 SMA on the 1 minute. There you go. Getting a little bit of a bounce off that middle Bollinger Band, otherwise known as the 21 SMA. JMIA, look at JMIA go, man. Hell yeah, it's up 5%, which you may be thinking, Brandon, why are you excited? You only have one share. I have an option. I have a call here that is almost green. This thing has been red for the longest time, and it is almost green. So I am excited. That is why I'm excited. All right. Is there any news? Is there anything else that I missed here? Let me see. I missed so many chats in the last few minutes. Let me see. Brandon on Discord. I see the link to the news. Okay, is this it? Is it? Oh. Okay, here we go. We actually have it. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you so much. Let me go ahead and copy and paste this in the actual 86-page document that we have so I don't forget it. Let me go to the miscellaneous section. All right, miscellaneous. Here we go. I want to copy and paste this real quick. So new patent. Someone analyze this with me right now so make sure I'm not missing anything. New patents, 20th May. All right. Boom. All right, let's check this out. Where did I put it? Okay, here we go. All right, the reduction of bias in genomic coverage, blah, yada yada. All right. So May 20th. Wow, they didn't post this on they really didn't post this on their website still. Wow, why? Don't they usually post patents here? I don't know. All right, methods are provided for detecting and quantitating molecules using fluidics. That sounds very damn close to the nano-nozzle. Oh my gosh, let me pull. Okay, I'm not trying to say this is the nano-nozzle. If this was nano-nozzle news, we would be up 100%, I guarantee you, or at least a lot. So I'm not trying to hype you up and tell you that this is nano-nozzle, but if we control F here, and actually, it might just be right here. Where's the actual, why am I never able to find the damn nano-nozzle thing? I want the filing. Oh, I always forget this. Okay, okay, sequencing option. No, never mind. I remember what I did. Sequencing option. Let me just do option here. Okay, let me just go down. Okay, let me just go like right here. I'm struggling to find this. I'm struggling. We're losing so many viewers. I'm gonna find this. Okay, here it is. It was literally right here. Okay, here we go. All right, I do have a point for this. So, where is it exactly? Okay, so PacBio gets the patents related to analysis of nucleic acid molecules in nanofluidic channels. BioNano obtains a license to do stuff in the sequencing field. Yes, and if we go to the actual sequencing option here, okay, sequencing field shall mean anything detecting and sequentially identifying each nucleotide of the sequence of a polynucleotide molecule in an NDS. Okay, that's not as close as I thought, but let me actually control F. Oh God, I feel bad doing the digging. Should I dig through this patent right now on stream? I don't know. Do you guys want to see me dig through and how you actually do due diligence with the patents or not? Tell me, or should I just keep watching the charts? Tell me, it's up to you. I'm going to do it one way or another. I don't know if I'm going to do it tonight or now. Let me know. It's news. I want to do it right now, but I feel like we're going to lose so many viewers if I keep doing that. Control F single molecule. Okay, I got good. Okay, I will do that. Single molecule. Oh boy. Okay, the system. Oh my gosh, this thing is so long. Holy shit. This is going to be a while. Okay. A system for characterizing a single compromising one or more chambers for labeling sample molecules with at least 2 labels, a fluidic channel for translocating the, oh my gosh, this is complicated, fluidic channel. Oh, the brain cells are gone. All right. Is there anything in here about, let me just control F sequencing. Oh my gosh, this is good. This is good. Are you guys seeing this? This literally came out today, and this is directly relating to let me 79 there. All right, sequencing. I'll go back there in a second. But this just came out today, and this is literally, it's giving BioNano the right to do stuff in relation to sequencing, which I need to dig deeper to give you a more ape language, more concrete summarization. But yeah, everyone, give me your extrapolations on the Discord so I can actually see them. If they leave, they're not true BioNanians. All right. Everyone is saying read. All right, I will. all the OGs are saying read, but I feel like all the new viewers are like, dude, I don't give a fuck. I don't understand the patterns. Okay, I'll do it real quick then. Okay, let me go back to the sequencing thing. This is really big though. This could be. Am I understanding this right? I mean, this is about. Let me go back to 79 here. Let me go to 79. Okay, this is what I was reading a second ago. This is them trying to obtain the right to do more sequencing based stuff, which they already have the option to. They have the right to take an option to get the sequencing option here, and then they would have the right to make. They would let's see. Make, what is it exactly? I don't know what exactly it is here. Is this it? Yeah, okay. So they would obtain a license to import, have made stuff in the sequencing field. This document here, this patent, to me, I haven't read this that much, but basically, yeah, this is fucking huge. Yeah, let me see if the stock price is reacting to this. No, it's not. Of course, no one knows the fucking patent news at all. Of course, they don't have the competency to read all this or the determination to, but this seems like to me, I could easily be misunderstanding something here. I have read literally barely any of this. Okay, you guys have seen, I barely read like not even 1% of this. But this is sequencing. This is sequencing. They are trying to obtain the rights for more sequencing-based stuff. Read the last sentence in the first paragraph. It could be as easy as getting a blood test. Okay. God. In some embodiments, the methods comprise automated identification of genetic structural variation. In some embodiments, the methods comprise analyzing blood to detect the presence of circulating DNA or cells from a fetus or a tumor. Okay, so that's important from a fetus. So we're talking about prenatal stuff here, and then a tumor. So that's really interesting. And so, okay, good. It doesn't say that's not what they're trying to achieve with this entire thing. They're trying to achieve, I think, the entire whatever sequencing rights, whatever the hell. I haven't read it enough to understand what exactly it's going to be. I guess it's going to be detecting and quantitating molecules using fluidics, right? That directly relates to what their sequencing shit was talking about in this option. That's why it's so important for me to link this stuff. That's why I'm always crazy, madman linking stuff all the time in the due diligence. But yeah, this is really good. And back to my point earlier, yeah, they're trying to get, it's not just stuff for the fetus or the tumor. They're not trying to get the rights for just that, just the fetus or the tumor. They're trying to get it for all of this stuff, and that is going to entail a lot of different fields, I think. Email BioNano and let's verify if it's an actual patent. Yeah, if this is an actual patent, I feel something feels a little too good to be true here, because this literally just seems like this is straight Nano-nozzle trying to get ready for the Nano-nozzle release, straight up. So this has to be too good to be true, because other people would have saw this, they would have dropped 10K shares, 100,000 shares, 1 million shares already, I think, if I'm understanding this at all right. Yeah, let me go ahead. Should we email? Does someone else want to email IR and ask them, give them a link for this? It says May 20th. It says May 20th, 2021. So it says BioNano Genomics, San Diego. Oh my gosh, we are stupid. Wow, we are stupid. Never mind. Damn it. Filed November 20th. But this is them. But this is them right now. This is them getting it granted, right? This is them. The SEC, the trademark office. They're accepting it, right? Is that right? Someone confirmed the file date was to the November 20th, 2020 last year, right? But it just got accepted May 20th. Is that right? Somebody tell me. Somebody fact check me. I don't want to say wrong shit on the new news. The link is in the Discord. Everyone go and link this. Or everyone go link this. Everyone go read this. It's right here. Here, let me go ahead. This is the right one. Let me just make sure. Okay, yes. All right, I'm going to pin this. Here, actually, no. I'm just going to say, I'm just going to add everyone to read this. Be careful when adding everyone, guys. I do it all the time because it's really important stuff. But if you're going to add everyone, you better have a damn good reason, like very good news, or you need help with like some serious digging due diligence, right? Read this. Let me know extrapolations. All right. Thank you so much for whoever found that. You're a legend. I would not be able to find that probably. Applied/granted. Yes. Yes. So let me just verify right now. Okay, so because I'm getting kind of the way people are wording this, they filed it, they issued it, right? They applied for the rights of whatever they're talking about here on November 20th, and they got it granted today. That's what I'm getting from this, right? That's what I'm getting. Am I right about that? Somebody email Kathy Wood. Yeah, I got to read more into this. This is so... I'm not going to be able... Oh my God, look at those paragraphs. Oh my gosh. There's no spaces. There's no paragraph breaks. We need a page break, guys. Come on. That's way too much. Wow, this is a lot of shit here, man. And I think most of this is relating to sequencing rights, nano-nozzle rights. But it can't be. This must be too good to be true. The stock would be at like $6, $7 if this was, if that's what it was. There's no way. This has to be too good to be true. There's no way. There's no way. Someone else would see this at this point. Okay, it's literally on the news tab, and then if you just go to the patent and trademark office, like the genius that sent the link, man, we gotta verify this. We have to verify this more. There's no way. I mean, am I thinking correctly here? It wasn't easy to find. Yes, that's true, but there would be whales, and there would be whales and smart money that would read this right away and do a little, fucking SEC wizard, SEC expert of reading. Click on the pic on the new on the Discord. What? Okay. I'm not okay. Who types like that? A bot? I know. It's an add-on to an existing patent. Oh yeah, this may make sense because there's 1,000 filing dates. There's 1,000 filing dates here, and I don't know which one is new exactly. Like, did they file all of these at these dates, and then it just now all of this got approved? Because that would be huge. Or is it just one new piece that got approved? I don't know for sure. I need an SEC wizard to clarify. I see the lighting came in, Brandon. I'm glad you noticed. You were actually the first person to notice, but I did talk about it earlier, so I guess not. But yeah, it looks a little better. I promise you. When I get the new laptop, the settings, I'm gonna make the lighting look so much. The video quality is gonna get so much better today if the laptop comes in, which I think it is. But what were we talking about? Handle? Yeah, we do have a handle here. Actually, yeah. This is exciting, but I'm hesitant to say that this is great news because I know this is too damn good to be true. This is way too good. People, I'm telling you, when there is good news like this, literally whales, for some reason, market manipulation, okay, they know about this early, and then right when it drops, instantly when it drops, they buy. That's how they do it sometimes. I think the stock would be up 10-20% if I am at all right in my idea that basically all or some of this just got granted, and they just got the rights to a lot of sequencing based stuff, including quantitating molecules using fluidics, which a lot of that here, let me just control F fluidics and see if I'm going insane here. Fluidics. Okay, here. So literally straight up here is nano and molecules in nanofluidic channels, and that's the only one. Okay, well, that's not a lot. That's not only one time. Well, that's not as bullish as I thought, but still, this is still directly relating to nano-nozzle elements. It still is. It 100% is. I mean, that's what I'm getting based on this. Piece of equipment, you may need many patents. This will be one of many that protect various things. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I see what you mean. BNGO released that at 10. Yeah, they just did. Yeah, I know, Havana. Yeah, we literally saw this right away, and then the link didn't work, and then someone looked at the trademark office and actually sent it to us, so it's awesome. So yes, they did just release this. Yes, but still, it's like, really, are they really not going to be able to see this? Plus, as you say, it may just be a piece of other patents they may have already done, right? Most of these were already filed over here, but to my knowledge, none of these were granted. I mean, at least the new one, at least this one, the file date. At least this one. I guess these are not I guess these are related. Okay, so I guess these are technically not. They are very related. So technically, this worst case, this could just be another patent that's basically the exact same thing, or very similar to these, and we just got it granted today. So it could be nothing, or it could be that these are actually not super, like they're related, but they're not exactly the same, and we have more sequencing rights to. We're projecting more of the technology that makes our new sequencing nano-nozzle technology new. Or work. I guess that would be the right word. I think. I think so. This could be huge. It could be nothing. I'm leaning towards it could be nothing because there's no way the whales would not already have reacted to this. I think the more they get approved, the more difficult it will be to cope the tech. The more patents we get for the nano-nozzle, the better it is, man. The more nano-nozzle shit we get, the more stuff about nano-nozzle, the better it is. Nano-nozzle is one of the biggest catalysts that is going to I mean, even if the technology is decent, it does not have to be better than Illumina's or PacBio's sequencing. It just has to match it or even be very close. It's going to be very helpful, especially if they can utilize that technology in the Sapphire. That's going to be absolutely huge. I mean, a new product altogether, that would be great too. But either way, it's really bullish if the nano-nozzle comes out, right? I don't think, did I control nano-nozzle? Yeah, I don't think I did. Nope. There's nothing about nano-nozzle. Damn. There's nothing about nano-nozzle in the entire document. Damn it. But there is a ton of nano references. 55. Oh, one of them is BioNano. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's only 7. No, here we go. Let me do this. This will fix it. Here, right there. Okay. Hold on. There we go. Okay. Where in the fluidic channel is a nano channel. And by the way, guys, what makes BioNano's optical genome mapping with Sapphire new is basically one of the biggest thing that sets their optical genome mapping apart from others is the nano channel that actually linearizes the DNA. It's like this, and then the nano channel does it, and then it just makes it one strand, right? If that makes it. That was a weird little demonstration, but yeah, that's essentially what it does. If you can understand that, I don't know if you can. Probably not. It's a complicated process, but yeah, that is relating to the Sapphire uses nanochannels. So let me go to the other ones here. The fluidic nanochannel compromises a channel having the length of at least 10 nm and a cross-section diameter of less than 5,000 nm. Okay, fluid channel is disposed parallel to a surface. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's just describing this is just boring at this point. It's just boring. No, it's not boring. I'm gonna do some digging on this tonight though, seriously. Because this could be big. Or it could be nothing. I could be wrong, but I think it's referencing nano-nozzle. Go to 0007. Right here? Yeah, isn't this just... Yeah, this is what we just wrote. Yeah, or read. Yeah, this is good. That's such a coincidence there. EJ, oh my gosh, thank you so much, my friend. Love the morning streams. Makes the work morning go by so much faster. Also, thanks for everyone helping out with the D. Oh my gosh, thanks. Yes, thank you, EJ, so much. You're a legend. Also, thank you everyone who is literally doing the digging with me and getting and taking their brain cells and just sending them in the garbage again. That's what I call it. It's kind of a stupid thing that I say brain cells so much, but anyways, you get what I mean. But yeah, thank you so much everyone who has helped me, and thank you for whoever sent the link. Alpha Cat here. Thank you so much, man. We would not have this if you did not send the link here. Related patents are not necessarily BNGOs, just similar tech. Nano-nozzle is a marketing name, not a patent description. Yes, but isn't the patent that they issued, doesn't it have nano-nozzle in the title? Right? Yeah, U.S. patent for combined... Okay, no, it actually doesn't. Nano-channel, nanopore. Okay, so let me actually control F that. Nano channel. We already have a ton of nano channel. Okay, no, we don't. Never mind. Let me do nanopore. See if is anything relating to that. No, again. Okay, well, here. Tell you what. Let me go ahead and let me just go ahead and do. Let's see. What can I do here? What can I control F here? Nano nozzle device arrays. Macromolecular analysis. Let's control F macromolecular. Nothing. Wow. Okay, let's just do a molecular, see if there's anything. Okay, we got 40 of them. Minimizing eliminating bias comprises normalizing scale coverage depths. God, this is complicated. Yeah, I don't think there's nothing. I don't think there's anything that we're gonna find based on that. 0072. Okay, 0072. All right, the fetus sheds small DNA fragments into the maternal bloodstream. Okay, tumors have also been found to release DNA into the bloodstream. Okay, that's actually big, potentially. I'm going to elaborate this on a second. According to some embodiments, herein are methods for analyzing polynucleotide fragments, such as DNA fragments in blood, to detect the presence of circulating polynucleotide or cells from a fetus or a tumor. Okay, that's good. I think this is relating to prenatal testing, obviously. Also, according to some embodiments herein, are methods for analyzing fetal DNA in maternal blood to detect genetic abnormalities. That's big. That's big. But this is this? So here's what I don't understand. Is this for the sapphire? Because this is kind of relating to prenatal, but it also is like we're not really here. Let me just control F sapphire. Okay, there's nothing. You see, that's what makes me think like it's nothing about the sapphire. Optical genome map. Let's check that. Optical genome. Oh, okay, there's one here. Okay, the following values applied to an initial implementation of GROM as applied to optical genome maps. Okay, that's pretty big. Okay, wow, this is complicated, but what the hell is GROM? I don't even know what that means. What the hell does that mean? Let me Google that. Someone tell me what GROM means, if you know. Is that a technology? Hold on. Okay, is that what it means then? Okay, as refers to both genders. Okay, really? Is that what that is supposed to mean, or is that supposed to be a technology or a product, some sort of technology? I don't know. Someone clarify that for me. Entry point might be coming up. Oh wow, yeah, it is maybe coming up. Let's see what the Nasdaq is doing. Let's check everything right quick. Dude, this is an entry point. I'm about to add shares. The Russell and Nasdaq have only gone up since BioNano has had its peak. The Nasdaq and Russell 2000, they were both way lower than what they are currently when BioNano was up here. So this tells me that this is just profit taking. Yep, right when I say it. I'm too late. It already starts pushing. Go down again. I want to get some more shares. Oh man, okay, there we go. Please keep dipping. Just dip a little more. I want to get a little bit cheaper. Hey, bud, can we do a 10-minute BNGO Q&A for all our new people watching? That is an amazing question. I want to do a live stream, actually, that's literally just called BNGO Ask Me Any Question About BioNano's Fundamentals or Technicals, and I will answer. I want to do that, and I want to do an entire stream about that. In the patent, it mentions Lyris product. What the hell is a Lyris product? All right, let's throw out that. Man, this patent is insane. What this... Okay, I spelled that wrong. I was about to say, what the heck are you lying to me? Lyris. There's nothing still. What? What do you mean? There's nothing in here. There's nothing in here about that. About the name, at least. It doesn't mention it. Whoever has had time to read this, I'm gonna do this tonight with you. I promise. I will read at least a lot of this. And I'm gonna be honest with you. I probably would not have time to read all this. At least not today. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. Anyways. But yeah, what do you call it? Yeah, have your extrapolations, and then let me know your extrapolations, your conclusions, and what is important right here in the BNGO News Only tab. And then when we get it finalized, we can make like one quick clean points, like bullet point list or whatever number list, and then post in the finalized and clean DD. And then BNGO research and data. This is actually what we can do here. Let me actually, you know what? Let me actually just go ahead and copy this. No. Hold on. New patent. I want everyone to do this whenever they get the chance. If you want, it's up to you, of course. New patent granted. I think I'm not even sure on that. On today, May 20th. Let me know your thoughts and key points to take away. Yep, I'm gonna be doing this. I'm gonna be letting your guys know my takeaways either today or tonight, because I'm not gonna go through all of this on stream, just because I know we're gonna lose 1,000 viewers. We already lost like half of our viewers. What number? Yeah, what number is Lyris? Yeah, there is no Lyris mention. There is no mention. Sorry, it was spelled Iris. It's an okay. Iris. God, what is going? Okay, here it is. Iris, or I don't know how to pronounce this. I'm just gonna say Iris, because that's simple. Collect labeled mapping data on sample molecules and some embodiments. The mapping data comprises optical genome mapping, optical mapping data, and some embodiments the mapping comprises non-optical. That's big. That's big. In some embodiments, the mapping data that BioNano collects for whatever product this is, maybe this, is non-optical mapping data. New innovations. I don't know if this is a new innovation necessarily, but anything that is not optical genome mapping is relatively new for BioNano. In some embodiments, the sample comprises a human sample. In some embodiments, the data collection is performed on an iris. Iris TM. What the heck? TM system from BioNano Genomics. Perform mapping data, processing, and quantification of detected molecules. Apply filters to the detected molecules. Yes, but what does it do? What does it do? Specifically, what does it do? Oh God, this is. What are these numbers here? I can't. This is too. Let me just do this. Let me just go in like one right there. That'll help us a little bit here. Where is it? Goddamn, where was it? Let me go right here. Okay, here it is. All right, so this is what is this? Is this so 115? Table US 2, table 2. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know exactly what this is though. I need to read all this. The coverage field of this file can list coverage per label, we'll collect the molecule length values and generate the histogram. Oh boy. Yeah, I don't understand this. I don't understand this fully. I cannot really give you an ape language because I don't fully understand this. What is the most important here though is in some embodiments, the mapping data comprises non-optical mapping data. That's pretty big. Iris equals BNGO machine before Sapphire. Okay, so the old one. Slap that ask, Brandon. Why pinch pennies when this will be over 1,000 in a share in years to come? Hell yes, Brennan, that's awesome. Thank you for coming to the stream. By the way, we have a new patent. Get on our Discord. Actually, you know what? I'll just put the link in the chat right now. Everyone, if you want, this is the patent that just got. It's new. I think it just got granted today. I'm not sure though. Yeah, so go give this a look and then go on the Discord. We're going in the research and data channel here. Post your conclusions and key points to take away if you want. The price is obviously not reacting whatsoever to this news, so I'm assuming it's too good to be true. But of course, it was hard to find, and people are stupid and they don't look at the news. So this could be bigger than anyone is realizing right now. It could be keyword could and possibly, right? Also, we're doing everyone buy 1 to 10 bingo shares at 1 p.m. Eastern, my friend. 12 p.m. Global renormalization of optical maps. Okay, good. Global. I'm gonna look that up and link because I need to learn more about that. Global normalization of optical maps. All right. Damn, bro, I just want to. Well, never mind. Send me a link if you know, like a tutorial on that. Renormalization. All right, thank you. Iris was the machine. Yeah. Was being prepped for use in China in 2016. Okay, always right. Oh, there's so many good due diligence. We have Brennan. We have always right. We have what? We have Locke. We have everyone. And more. There's more that I'm forgetting. Kieran James. Brennan is here. Patriot Pub is here. We have all the great due diligencers for BioNano here, and we still can't figure out what this damn patent is because it's so damn long. No one can read all this. No one can read all this in like a second. Damn, we're all working on it. We can't find it out. But it's, for me, this is too good to be true unless just no one is reading it. I mean, I guess the big money, the whales, could just not be reading this. They haven't read it all yet. That's why they're not acting on it. They don't know what it means yet. So, I don't know. Nasdaq pushing still? All right, I'm gonna have to buy more. Yeah, I'm gonna have to buy. All right, I'm gonna put an order in. I'm gonna put an order in at the previous low. I'm gonna put an order in. I'm gonna do. Oh, God, I'm scared. The Nasdaq scares me. I'm debating right now. You know what? All right, I'm gonna think about that a little more. I'm gonna think about the order a little bit more, and then we're gonna do it a little bit more, and we're gonna buy maybe a little bit in a second. This new patent is just filed today, not granted. Okay. Well, no, it says it was filed on November 20, man. It says it was filed on November 20. United States patent application. Okay, so this number is different from this. Okay, no. No, so according to this, it's filed on November 20th. And then it just has the date right here. So I assume that means granted. That's why I assumed it was granted. I don't know. Yes, I did just post a link. Yes, I'll post a link again. I'll post a link again. There you go. There you go. There you go, man. Yeah, I don't know what you mean, bro. It says it's filed. Application number. Actually, you know what? Well, I don't know exactly though, because this application number is different than this application number. So it's like, what the fuck? It's like, what? So I don't know. I guess maybe it was filed on May 20th. I'm not sure. Someone with more patent experience, please give me an ape language that I can give you. I hate not knowing exactly what I'm talking about because like most of the viewers have no idea, but I'm not trying to give you false information. No. But yeah, it says it was filed on November 20th, so I don't know. And then this is May 20th, so I don't know if it's granted. My first thought is that, yeah, it's granted today because it says it's filed. But then this application number is different than the damn United States patent application, and I'm assuming this is the application number as well. So fuck, I don't know. It's like what? It's like, wait, what? Someone with more patent experience, please come in here and teach us and school us, please. I'm begging you. In some embodiments, the methods comprise analyzing blood or to detect presence of circulating DNA or cells from a fetus or tumor. That sounds very prenatal-like. Prenatal testing, that's my extrapolation from that. The thing is, there's nothing really... I mean, there is a lot of sequencing references here if we just Control-F sequencing. This is why I got really excited at the start, why this, about, you know, this possibly relating to the nano-nozzle. But if we actually look here, there's only 5 mentions of sequencing, and there's no mentions of nano-nozzle or nanopore either. So, and that's what the here, let me go ahead and look at this again. Yeah, let me look at this again. Yeah, and it's nano channel, nanopore device. There's no, I don't think there's any mention of nano channel. Let me see, nano. Let me just do all the different types. Nope, there's nothing. Oh, there's one. There's one. Oh, no, okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, so there is in a nano channel, so there is a lot of nano channels. So you see, it's like, is this the nano? Is this them trying to protect their rights for the nano nozzle, or is it them just further getting more protection for the sapphire, or both? It could be both. Hell, I mean, who knows what the hell is in this document? This thing is, I would be surprised if one person can read all of this. Like, to be honest with you, I'm gonna read a fair. I don't know how much I'm gonna get through, but I'm gonna read this. I'm gonna read some of this tonight. I guess we could just read the summary here. Yeah, I mean the summary, you know what, let me just read the summary right now. Oh god. What the hell does this mean? What is this? What the fuck? What is this formula, bro? I'm not a geneticist. Someone else has to do this with more experience in the patent realm and knows whatever the fuck this formula is, bro. What does that mean? Anyways, let's give it a try. Okay, comprised of labeling a plurality of sample molecules within a first label. With the sample molecules comprise a genome or genomic fragment. God, there's nothing huge. Okay, the method can comprise translocating the plurality of labeled sample molecules through a fluidic channel. Okay, that sounds pretty sapphire-like, right? Translocations, molecules through a fluidic channel. But for the sapphire, it's you do it through you linearize the DNA through a nano channel. And I don't know exactly if it does a fluidic channel. I don't know. Someone needs to tell me what this means. The method can comprise detecting counts of signals from the labeled sample molecules as to ascertain a pattern or plurality of patterns characteristic of the genome or genomic fragment. Okay. There's nothing big. There's nothing huge. There's not like one. I wish there was just one. I wish there was a one-liner in here that just told us what we need to know. God, we have the best community. I swear to God, no other community would even attempt to dissect this patent. No one else on YouTube would try to. We have like the smartest group of people here. Not even Brennan, the legend himself. I don't think he has given us his extrapolation yet. He will, I'm sure, though. I'm sure he will. He did chat a little while ago. Yeah, I wonder if BioNano will drop PR in layman's terms soon. That's what we need. That is what we need right now, man. Oh, gosh. We need that. Okay. Russell's bleeding. Damn it. We're breaking the ascending level. Gosh dang it. We're looking for all the hope we can find. Yeah, we are. Yeah, we are. Nasdaq is doing very well, though. Very, very well. This is what makes me want to YOLO and BioNano right now. Someone called Dr. Dean. Yeah, someone called Dr. Dean. We need someone to read all of this and then tell us what it means in ape language. Is an A1 kind of patent different than an A kind? To be honest with you, dude, I don't even know. Patents are one of my weaknesses. That's why I'm so hesitant to give you like a firm extrapolation of mine, because I'm not 100% sure right now. I'm not 100% sure, man. It's an A1. That's the kind of code. That A1. That is what it is. I don't know. Always right, or Brennan. I'm sure one of our due diligence legends will come up here and tell us what this means in ape language. I'm sure. It seems to be granted, but not 100%. Yeah, that's my extra. I think this. I don't know. I think this means it's granted, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure. It seems that it's filed on this date and granted on this date. What the heck does this mean? Is this a name? That can't. I don't know what that means. the patent language, the SEC language, man. Oh, I hate it. Is it Nano-nozzle? Maybe. We don't know yet. It references nano channels and fluidic stuff and sequencing. It references sequencing 5 times. But if it was, I feel like if it was the Nano-nozzle, there's 2 reasons why I don't think this is Nano-nozzle. If it was, it would either have a nanopore reference, which it doesn't have anything, or it would have a Nano-nozzle reference, which I don't think it does. We've Control F this many times and I haven't found anything. Let me try the other way that I know. Nozzle, no, there's nothing. So I feel like also the fact that if it actually was, if it was actually the Nano-nozzle, people would know and we would be going up. We would be going up 10%. Brennan, it's a moat around our IP castle. Sorry, I'm at work right now and haven't read it. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. Maybe there's a connection. Okay, let me read this. Okay, this is actually really good. Thank you so much. All right. So a device for analyzing a polynucleotide. Let me do that. I have not Control F'd polynucleotide yet. Poly. Okay. Do we have it? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. All right, that's a huge connection. So I love patents like this that actually give you some good information on the first one. Okay, so it is a device. They are trying to obtain the right for a device for analyzing a polynucleotide macromolecule. A nanochannel having an effective inner diameter. Okay, between 10 nm and 500 nm. Okay, holy shit, we're finding something now. We're finding something now. Wait, I swear to God, there was. Yeah, there was. Here it is. Oh God, we're making gains now. We're making discoveries, and wherein the fluidic channel has a length of at least 10 nm and a cross sectional diameter of less than 5,000 nm, and this other one says 10 nm. About having an effective inner diameter between about 10 nm and about 500 nm. So that's what the nano-nozzle's length for the inner diameter would be. That's what the nanochannel's inner diameter would be. And basically the nanochannel is a part of the nano-nozzle, I think. Yeah, Nano-nozzle device. Yes, it is. Okay, I should have fact-checked the person who sent me this, but yeah, the person who sent, who is the one that keeps sending me these? Alpha Light. God, Alpha Light is a legend. Thank you so much, my friend. But yeah, this is there is connection here. There is definitely connection here. Why else? Wait a second though. They're talking about where the fluidic channel has the length of that, and in this one they're talking about the nanochannel's effective inner diameter. Is that the same thing? I'm not sure. Plus, the outer range here is way different, 5,000 to 500 nm. So what the... oh, God, this is complicated. I don't know. There is connection here, though. There is certainly connection. Let me go to the bottom. Let's go to the more ones. In some embodiments for any of the methods described above, the fluidic nanochannel, and this is in the new one. This is in the one granted or filed. I think it's granted. Some people think it's filed. I'm not sure. Today, the fluidic nanochannel comprises of a channel having a length of at least 10 nm and a cross-section diameter of less than 5,000 nm. So that's a connection. That is a connection 100,000%. Yes. Okay, so based on that, let me do an ape language here. This new patent that we have filed today is it's here, let me tell you exactly. The diameter of it, the diameter of the fluidic nanochannel, that's not very ape language. I'm going to do an ape language for the ape language after this. But the length and the diameter of the fluidic nanochannel is the same in this new patent compared to the nano-nozzle device array patent. So they are obviously, you can certainly say they are talking about the nano-nozzle's technology in this new one. So ape language for that, BioNano may be, and this is not for sure yet, but they may be trying to further their rights to the sequencing capabilities in the nano-nozzle. Maybe. I'm calling Eric Hallman. Can someone just call Eric at this point? The nanochannel is like this tiny tube with liquid running through it. That's why fluidic. Well, the nanochannel, I don't know for sure. I'm not a damn geneticist, but I should know this. And basically, the nanochannel, at least for the sapphire, the nanochannel is what linearizes the DNA strand. It's like the DNA strand. It's like all like this, right? That's what the DNA is like. The nanochannel for the sapphire, it's what thins it out. And if it wasn't thinned out like that in a straight line, the sapphire would not be able to detect any structural variations or analyze the genome whatsoever, to my knowledge, right? I can be wrong, but I'm 99% sure that's right. So, yeah, I don't know for sure about your question, but that's what I would say. I hope that helps you a little bit. So somebody tell me if I'm wrong here. Somebody tell me if I'm wrong. There is definitely a damn connection. There is 100,000 a connection between the nano-nozzle device array patent and the new one that we just got, I think, granted. We don't even know if it's granted today. I think it is. Most people... Do most of you think it was granted today? I think it is, based on the top here. We're going to go do that in a second, but I think there is connection, at least a little bit, in the new patent of nano-nozzle, connecting to nano-nozzle and the nano-nozzle patent itself. I think there is, and that, based on that, it's big news. Based on that, it means that they're making strides to release the nano-nozzle, and once that gets released, it's over. It is over. It is over. I'm telling you, BioNano is going up 300% if the sequencing is even decent. You know why it is. Now, there's a lot of different contingencies for the nano-nozzle. Basically, oh god, there's so many things going through my mind right now. How should I frame this? Okay, so if the sequencing comes out and it's like decent, right? If it's a whole new product, right? If it's actually, if they call it the nano-nozzle, nano-channel device array, whatever the hell they want to call it, right? If it is a sequencer with new technology, and BioNano has not been talking, correct me if I'm wrong, Alpha Light, but it is basically I could be totally wrong on this, but I don't have the source on me for this, but basically BioNano believes, I don't have the quote, but paraphrasing BioNano themselves, they wanted to look at some sort of thing. I forgot what it exactly was. God, this is going to sound bad, but they were looking at something to innovate the sequencing technology to not only have a sequencing product, but be better than sequencing. And that's a possibility. There's a lot of contingencies there, and I don't even have my source. Please, someone tell me if you know what I'm talking about. But if we were able to make sequencing obsolete, which, we're not even necessarily, the nano-nozzle not even necessarily is going to make sequencing obsolete in regards to single nucleotide detection up to 300 base pair detection and structural variations. But even if it's the same, even if it's decent, it's over. I think it would be, because why not just, if it's included in the sapphire, which I expect it may be, I expect it might be, honestly, it probably will be. I think a part of me thinks that the nano-nozzle technology, they may just include that in the sapphire add-on, make it a little bigger, whatever they got to do, add that technology in there. Then you can have sapphire optical genome mapping greater than 500 base pair detection to mega base pairs. And then you also have the single nucleotide detection up to 300 base pairs. It would be over. Everyone would switch over. Everyone would switch over. It's over. They have a ton of recent patents. Hard to figure out what any of it means, except that all of it appears to be honing in on nano-nozzle. Brandon has the power to pump up BNGO now with 200 viewers. That's what we're dealing with, the hard work. Hey, I'm not complaining. The channel's doing great. This is great news. We should have 500 viewers. This is amazing news. Okay, I shouldn't say amazing. It is good, though. It is good news 100,000%. This relates directly to nano-nozzle and them trying to release the nano-nozzle because they're implied they're going to release it because they're trying to get more rights through patents that relate directly to the nano-channel nano-nozzle device array patent for macromolecular analysis. And one thing that I don't really like here is that if you actually Control F Macromolecular, there is nothing, which that's a little peculiar. We already did that. There is a ton of molecular stuff, but there's nothing macromolecular, in this document. So I don't know. It definitely relates a little bit to the nano-nozzle, at least. Simon on suicide watch. I'm penning that. I am penning that comment right now. You already know. Oh, that's amazing. That is amazing. Let me go ahead. Did I already link this? I think I did. Here, let me go ahead and link this one as well into the miscellaneous due diligence here. Okay, nano-nozzle. This is just for my sake of control F'ing this and finding this in the future. Nano-nozzle. Nozzle original. God, I can't type. Dang it. Patents. Okay, boom. Oh my gosh, that was way harder than I needed to be. Okay. Let me make sure that works. I think that was the right one. Yep. All right, cool. Cool. And then we got this one in there. That's the sequencing one. We already have that one, so we're good. And then that's the new patent. All right, boom. We're going to do digging on that. This is huge news. I shouldn't say it's not huge because it's too damn complicated to dissect and it's too long. but it is relating to the nano-nozzle, which anything related to the nano-nozzle should be big. But of course, no one cares. No one cares about news for BioNano. No one cares except us, right? Oh my gosh, that was exciting. Wow, well, that was exciting and boring, and I don't know. We still don't know what it means, so we don't know if it's exciting or not. I don't know. I think nano-nozzle will also analyze proteins. To get those smaller base pairs, they have to be able to add chemical tags. Different text, somewhat from the existing system, may require a deeper improvement. Yes, there's a ton of shit that they have to do for sequencing. I mean, that's not even their realm. Their optical genome mapping, that is kind of implied. But yeah, you know more about that than I do. I don't know this. I've tried my best to. I can still do a little bit more, but I understand the optical genome mapping, the nano channel, the DNA, how the steps of the Sapphire doing the actual maps that they get on the software for the Sapphire. I don't know shit about sequencing. So I'm going to have to do a lot of research in the sequencing. And this is what they're going to be doing. Nano-nozzle is going to be sequencing. So, Brandon, can we work on inventing the Auspicious nozzle for Auspicious nozzle for BNGO? I like that. Auspicious nozzle. I'm doing it. I'm already doing it. A lot of resistance around 580 on level 2 data. We expected this. Yeah, 580, 583. Yep. Yeah, oh god, that's a fake wall. That is a fake wall. I'm calling it right now. There's no way there's about to be 20k shares sold at 580. No way. That is shit. I'm calling bullshit on that. I am expecting that to be a fake wall, my friends. There's no way. That is bull. That is absolute bullshit. There's no way. I mean, I get there is a way, but it's unlikely. It's unlikely. Small caps are still getting killed. Let me check the broader markets here. Here, you know what? Let me stand up 1 second. Let's just stretch my leg real quick. We already lost like 50% of the viewers, right? We are not 50, but we lost a lot. I'm going to stand up real quick. Stretch the legs real quick. Ah. All right. All right. That feels better. All right, there we go. Somebody text Eric. Brennan, I want you to get a hold of Eric or whoever and just ask him what the hell this means, because we're apes and we don't understand. They're a level of they're on a different level than us. Oh, nano-nozzle to the moon. BNG has developed an industry-leading ability to control BioNano genomics. I didn't know what BNG meant for a second. To control the movement of extremely long DNA molecules in and through hundreds of thousands of parallel nanochannels. High throughput. That we already have that. That's already what the Sapphire does, is it not? Patriot Pub, correct me if I'm wrong, but what you just said is exactly what the Sapphire already does, right? I mean, are you talking about enables more higher throughput, like higher? Now you said high throughput genome analysis. Do you mean higher throughput? Clarify for me. Tear down this wall. Tear down this wall. Yes, we need that meme. If only the live chat could do memes. Brandon slapping the computer for answers like Zoolander. Looking at sequencing by emergence pattern, it measures the read length in photons. Fascinating, but like Greek to all of us. Yes, that is great to me. I don't fucking understand sequencing. Somebody send me a video or a document in the Discord to understand the sequencing. God, I need to understand that. I'm a noob. I'm good on optical genome mapping. I've done the work for that, but sequencing, I'm going to admit to you, I'm not an expert on that. I mean, I'm not even an expert on optical genome mapping. I'm not a doctor, right? But I've done a lot of hours of digging for it, you know, so I don't know. You got to have a PhD even to read it. Honestly, you got to have you got to go and study this shit for years, every day, for years, my friends, to understand this shit. This shit is complicated, man. Where's that one equation? Oh my gosh, I just found it. Okay, how the hell do you expect me, a shareholder, to know what this means? N equals Q. Is that a divided sign? Is that a slash? And then there's a bracket, E plus GC, parentheses 1 slash something, 1. What is this? Is this code? I feel like this is closer to programming code than fucking that formula for something. Like, what? Bro, mind is blown. My brain hurts. My brain cells are gone. Yeah, I know, John, my friend. It is. Oh my gosh. N equals Q. What the hell is N equals Q? What does that mean? Somebody explain to me what N equals Q means, bro. I don't understand. Oh my gosh. Oh man. This is not good. This is too complicated, man. Okay, this actually looks really important. Let me actually read it. The segment of predetermined length per molecule comprises of at least 20 kilo base pairs. Remember, I learned this the hard way. Kilo base pairs is higher than base pairs. I thought that was smaller. It's actually higher. 1 kilo base pair means like 1,000 base pairs or something crazy like that. Of nucleic acid, for example. Okay, so they're talking about detection of structural variants or molecules, I guess technically is what they're talking about here, for these ranges, which is fine. That's good. That's good. The coefficient of a linear regression of scaled coverage depth versus, I don't even know how to pronounce it, abscissa for a plurality of samples in a training set. Bro, what? Nano-nozzle equals quality. Is that right? No, it's not right. Okay, good. There's news. It's on the news feed. Okay. No. Send me the link. Eric sums up nano-nozzle. Okay, so this is June 8th. Okay, I'll check that out later, but we need new stuff right now. Let me check, make sure no one's doing this. The inventor of the new patent has to work for BNGO. Can anyone confirm? We have so many members. There has to be. We have like what, 100? We have like, how many members do we have? 120 something, 130 something. There's got to be someone that knows. There's got to be one person that understands this shit. Oh man. Oh god. NXQ equals to the moon. Yep. N equals Q equals tendies. Yep. Oh, the Greek letter lam. Oh god, is used in lam something expressions and lam the terms to denote binding a variable in the function. Bro, do I look like I passed algebra in school? Do I act like I'm a math wizard? Do I look like I'm a math wizard, my friend? No, I'm messing, but yeah, I don't. That kind of goes over my head though. That kind of goes over my head. N equals Q. Yeah. N equals Q. Wait, should it be NXQ or N equals Q? I don't know. I feel like NXQ it sounds more complicated. I don't know. NXQ and N equals Q are now inside jokes. Yes, everyone, that is now inside joke. That's just like Robbie. Oh man, knock, who's there? Robbie. That's an inside joke. Please understand. If you don't understand that, GG. But yeah. Let me check the IR. Let me check the IR. See if they're updating this. See if they're doing anything. Nope. Yahoo Finance. Let's refresh this as well. Let's refresh their Twitter. All of our sources of information. We're refreshing all of them. They still have not posted anything, I don't think. Okay, 18. Yeah, that's. Let me check the institutions. We've had one filing yesterday. We've had no filing today. Damn, we got nothing still. Represents characteristic sample specific molecule length, and lam sub-0 represents median characteristic molecule length. Sample specific molecule length, and the other one represents median characteristic molecule length. Okay, gotcha. Okay, so the lambda without the sub-zero is a specific molecule length, and then sub-zero, lambda sub-zero is a median, so like the most occurring one. Okay, I think I understand. Thank you. I'm sorry. I have an ape brain, man. I'm a simple ape. The other patent I noted issued a month ago looks more important. What are you gonna link it? Did you link it? Check out this. In some embodiments, the first base in the sequence is encoded. The first base in the sequence is encoded by the first unit in the flap. The second base by the second unit. That's definitely sequencing, and that is pretty much all I care to confidently say, because I don't. Okay, single base reads. Okay, so basically, when you said the first base, you mean single base reads. Okay, so like, okay, yes, that's good. The lower the detection we can get, instead of large variance, we want the lowest we can get, all the way down to single nucleotide detection, single nucleotide variance. That's what we want. That's good. Patent from a month ago, and that is relating to the nano-nozzle and reads at up to as short as a minute. Link it. Did you link it yet? Always right, my friend. Thank you for always right. For Jason Smith's name is always right, by the way. I think that's what he said on there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. He would correct me if I'm wrong. I've been calling him always right the whole stream. Yeah. Q represents scaled labels coverage depths. G and E respectively represent gradient and zero order coefficient. Yeah, can you ape language that? Respectively represent gradient and zero order coefficient of a linear regression of scaled label coverage depths. Bro, I don't know what a zero order coefficient. Bro, I'm not math. I hate math, bro. I hate it. Lambda mentioned in both patents. Okay. And lambda is basically, okay, let me go up here so I don't screw this up. It is lambda without the sub-zero is a specific molecule length. And lambda sub-zero represents median characteristic molecule length. Okay, I'm going to write, you know what? I'm going to write that down. Sorry, 1 second. I'm going to write that down so I don't forget. 1 second, boys. All right, let me get this. What do you guys think of this? Let me know your thoughts on this patent. Please try to read this. Give me everyone's leaving. Everyone's leaving. All right, let's go. Let me 1 second. Let me go ahead and pull up the 1 minute chart here. IWM and Nasdaq still doing really well. All right, I'm gonna leave it on the broader market watch list so you can see what the markets are doing. The Nasdaq and the Russell 2000. Those are the most important ones. Let me put it back on BNGO so we can watch both. So the top 2 ones are the most important. While I write this down, watch that real quick, all right? Okay. All right. My brain is frying. I know. I think it's company policy that they don't answer about patents. I will try. Also, don't feel bad. I know geneticists that spend the whole weekend trying to digesting BNGO patents and can't absorb it. Yeah, I mean, I'm just trying to be honest with you guys. When I don't understand something, I tell you right away. That's how you know. Well, that I don't want. Yeah, I don't. I'm not trying to tell you that I know what this means when I don't. I mean, there's a connection to nano-nozzle guaranteed based on the 500. What is it exactly? Let me tell you exactly here. 10 nm to 500 nm and the diameter of the nano channel in the actual nano nozzle. And we know it's not the nano channel for Sapphire because this description here, 86 here, that is for the nano nozzle device array patents right here. And this was filed all the way. Well, it was only filed. Or I guess it was granted on the 25th, so it wasn't filed that long ago. Yeah, it was filed on June 1st last year, granted February 25th, I guess. That's how I read this. I could be reading that wrong. I'm not a patent wizard. I wish I need to become a patent wizard, though. I will become a patent wizard, hopefully. This language is so hard to dissect, though. Is this the patent given out to BNGO on May 4th and the date photoshopped? We have to ask Dr. Dean to make a video explaining this. In fact, I'm just going to comment in his latest video. I would recommend emailing him. I doubt he's going to respond to the comments. I'm pretty sure he doesn't respond to any comments. Actually, I could be wrong. I don't know. Coverage depths could mean how much of a DNA strand can be scanned in one tube/nozzle. Coverage depths could mean how much DNA strand can be scanned in one nozzle. Could. The ordered array takes the form of individual scaffolds that link together to form a large DNA lattice. Individual small scaffolds lock onto one another by base pairing. God, this is does this get any simpler? Yeah, that one kind of goes over my head. Yeah. Let's check the stonks. Brandon, what does this mean? Make the stonks go up. Oh, man. Hey, remember, everybody. Hey, let me actually, you know what? While you guys are still doing this, I'm going to schedule a stream. I'm going to take you behind the scenes. Maybe this will be cool. Probably not for most people. I'm going to take you behind the scenes and show you how to schedule an actual stream. All right? Here you go. Let's do this. This is how you schedule a stream on YouTube, if anyone cares about this. All right? While you guys are dissecting the what do you call it? The patent. There's no doubt, looking at the sequencing by emergence patent along with the rest, that they are patenting a full array of complementary tech required for sequencing. No doubt. I agree. That is what I've got. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, this makes me so excited. This makes me so excited that Always Right, Jason Smith, the legend himself, agrees with me. This new patent here, let me shift boat here. This new patent, we just got today. This is news. I'm 90% sure now, because no one has corrected me on this. It is granted today. There are several correlations and connections, and even at the most ape language level, there is jargon, right? Esoteric jargon, right? Complicated language used in the nano-nozzle device array patent in the new one. So what does that mean, Brandon? It means that they're trying to get more rights for sequencing, for nano-nozzle. Which ape language for nano-nozzle? Why is this important? Nano-nozzle will make the stock go up. Nano-nozzle will make us burr. BioNano's portfolio go burr, and bingo stock go moon. That's your ape language. All I took from this is that n equals colony tennies. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I'm penning. Gosh dang it. all right. Back to scheduling the stream. This is okay. So I'm scheduling the stream right now for the everyone buying 1 to 10 bingo shares at 1 p.m. Eastern time. Someone check the Weeble comments and confirm with me if you want, or not, I guess. But someone please confirm that we're actually doing this and they haven't changed the timing, right? So 1 to 10 bingo shares at 1 p.m. Eastern time, 12 p.m. Central. YOLO into BNGO. At 1 p.m. Eastern time. I love that. This is my favorite thumbnail I ever made, and it's so simple. YOLOing life savings and BNGO stock. I love it. All right, 20th. Okay, so let's do it. Let's do it at. I'm gonna start it. Let's see. I don't know. You know what? I'm going to give myself... Usually when I schedule streams, I schedule them too early because I'm always like fighting for time. So I'm going to do that. Right. Look at the description. Time to YOLO and BNGO. Boys and girls, let's go. All right, boom. Let's do it. BNGO website has a news announcement dated May 4th about receiving a patent. Okay. Yeah. All right. So let me go to their IR. Dated May 4th. This is big too. All right. Cyber system already provides this. This patent covers methods for labeling of DNA molecules using sequence-specific probes. That is sequencing. That is the nano-nozzle, to my knowledge, which can be used for the precise characterization of specific parts of the genome in addition to whole genome analysis. The custom probes can be used. And these are the same. Oh, this is so exciting. I'm so excited for this. All right. If we look at my top 10 takeaways here. This is a quote from the CEO. We also had an important patent issue that showed how different probes can be used to detect even more variants and possibly even single nucleotide variants. All right, we're going to explain why single nucleotide variants is so important. But right now, I want to stay with me, all right? This is May 4th. This is May 13th. We also had an important patent. This is the patent that they are talking about. Announces issuance of U.S. patent for targeted label strategy to complement whole genome analysis using optical genome mapping. Now, this is weird because it says they're using optical genome mapping, but this is more sequencing-like. Somebody explain to me if this is for optical genome mapping or sequencing rights / nano-nozzle. I don't really understand that. But where was I? In addition to the whole genome analysis, right? So instead of just being able to detect greater than 500 base pairs to mega base pairs and kilo base pairs, right? No, whole genome analysis, single nucleotide detection, single nucleotide variants detection potentially, according to the CEO. According to the CEO, that's his quote, right? May possibly even single nucleotide variants detection. All right. Okay, so yeah, there it is. All right, let me go ahead and see if this one is scheduled right. May 20th, right? All right, 11:50. All right, good. So 11:50, we're all buying, or at least I am. One bingo share at 12 p.m. Central. Yes. Yeah, but this is big. This is big. This could be, I mean, the stars are aligning for Nano-nozzle. And once Nano-nozzle comes in, oh my God, I cannot wait for that day. I don't know what the stop price is going to do, but I will say that if the sequencing technology is even okay and even on par with current sequencing by Illumina, PatB, all this other crap, right? All this other bullshit, even if it's similar, it's going to be good. It's going to be great. It's going to be more sales. It's going to be more reason to, even if it's a new product completely, it's going to be more sales. It's going to be more sales, more revenue. It's huge. It's huge. It's huge, man. Maybe this, and here's some speculative synthesis for you. Why have their operating expenses gone up so much? Maybe it's because Nano-nozzle technological advancements, right? They have to make it. They have to make the damn technology. And I actually, and I think the Nano-nozzle, and this is because of the CEO. This is because of the CEO's statements. The Nano-nozzle that they're going to make, it's not going to be on par. Okay, I say it's going to be on par just to be conservative. It would actually be way better. It would actually be way better than that because the CEO and the company has said they are working on actually revolutionizing things in the sequencing technology with the new sequencing technology that they're incorporating to make it better than what is currently there. Do you think they would spend all this time, all these years, all these patents on it if it's not going to sell a lot, if it's not going to be good? No. This is why the CEO and the COO, this is why they are so confident, and all their management. This is why they're so confident. This is why they're holding almost 1 million shares. Well, actually, no. Technically, CEO holds 500,000 shares, right? So tens of millions of dollars CEO holds in the stock right now, and then same with the COO. Now, they just got 840K shares over the weekend, or I guess technically last Friday. Thanks for clearing it up. Still excited for this move. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for everyone who's stayed with us this long. We're going to end the stream here in a little bit. It's similar. Even if it's similar, it destroys the competition. Yes, it does. I mean, especially if its technology is going to be put into the Sapphire, right? Because why would you get sequencing when you can do sequencing with BioNano Sapphire plus optical genome mapping with that? Which the optical genome mapping is a true. BioNano can go to $500 per share without the Nano-nozzle. Okay, so I seriously believe that because optical genome mapping it should be the new karyotyping, the new CMA, the new, what's the other one? Hi-Fi, right? PatBio's Hi-Fi. All these other crappy methods, none of them compare to Sapphire. In 500 base pair and greater detection, there is nothing that compares. And we've already proved that there is a market for it. There's important reasons why you want to actually be able to detect those high, big-ass variants, right? There is a real market for that. Can you not go? I always sleep with your live stream. I got to go because we're going to be streaming again here in an hour. So I got to go eat and I got to go get some exercise in. But before, I like to go do a little bit of exercise so my legs don't fall off because I'm sitting all day nowadays. But yeah, I'm going to go eat and get some exercise and shower. And then I'm going to come back though. Yeah, we're going to come back. We don't rest. It's all BioNano all day. All work all day. It's not work to me though. I enjoy it. This is fun as hell. This is amazing. We got great stuff. We got great stuff coming, man. Let me see here. So for everyone, set your damn reminder. set your damn reminder. Let me refresh this. But let me refresh stuff, by the way. Make sure we're not missing any new news. Right. We have nothing, I don't think. Nope. All right, let me go to the YouTube. So let me see if this is up ready. Green. Hell yes, we're green. Hell yes. Up. What are we up? Are we 2% up right now, right? Okay, almost. Is the Nasdaq shitting itself right now? That's the only explanation. No. What the hell? All right, I'm gonna put in another order. I'm gonna put in another order at the previous low at 568, man. I'm gonna put in another 20 shares. Here's why I'm putting in 20 shares. Not only is this news great, not only is the 840K shares, not only do we not have another Form 4 indicating that the insiders sold their newly acquired tens of millions of dollars in stock profits, but we have the Nasdaq and IWM running, and BioNano has just gone down since they've been going higher, right? And that's the only thing that's screwing BioNano over. So if we get interest in the aggregate, higher the Nasdaq goes, higher BioNano is going to go. There's going to be correlation there. Anyways, yeah, okay, so YOLO into BNGO at 1 p.m. Make sure everyone say your reminder for this. Say your reminder for this, boys. Say your reminder. Brandon is a whale. Yeah, I'm a whale. 20 shares. That's funny. That's funny, my friend. All right, so we're going to get out of here. We're going to get out of here, man. Nano-nozzle will be a bonus. Exactly. Optical genome mapping is a monopoly. True genome structure. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, Brennan. Okay. Oh, we are sharing buying one share at 1 p.m. Yes, we are. Here, let me send the link to this after this stream ends. Let me send a link to this. Okay. YOLOing one bingo share at 1 p.m. Eastern. There you go. That's the live stream. All right. We're all YOLOing one share, which it's not really YOLO because it's only one share. I'm going to do 10 shares or maybe 100 shares. We'll see. I don't know. Maybe I'll do one. We'll see. It's going to be fun. Okay, I'm for buying one, although I'm so broke. Guys, please don't feel like you need to. This is not my movement idea. This is the Weeble comment section's movement idea. So, yeah, but anyways, yeah, we're going to get out of here, man. We got there's so much to talk about. There's always, every time when I'm in the stream, I feel like we could still go for another hour. But I got to go eat, shower, and skate real quick so my heart doesn't die, so I don't get a heart attack. That's the only exercise I get nowadays, literally. Anyways, yeah, we're streaming another one in an hour. So we'll be back in an hour, boys. I'm going to get out of here for an hour real quick, and then we're going to be back. So, yeah, we got to get out of here. Are you ready to get out? Last minute question. No joke, I just applied for a job with BioNano. I have the required degree in general experience for the position, but no experience in genetics especially, so wish me luck. Bro, are you kidding me? EJ, send me proof for that on the Discord. That is insanity. Are you kidding me? We got to be careful with insider information. Hey, don't go, if you do get accepted, be careful with sending your insider information out, my friend. But what you can do, you can screw the rules. You can just say, if you're worth it, you can just say, yeah, I like the stock. You can just say coded messages like that. So he is becoming an insider. So you can technically, we can be legally, they're looking for a mechanical engineer. Dude, hell yes. He will be our freaking spy. I swear to God, this is the best community YouTube has ever created. That's arrogant, but not me. You guys are the best of all time. We have the best BioNano. We are the best BioNano community, 100,000%. The amount of great due diligence and researchers we have here, absolutely unparalleled. There's no one else that does this. Anyways, yeah, we're going to get out of here. I want to keep it short and sweet. Direct message the insider info only. God damn it, I love you guys. All right, we're getting out of here, man. We got to get out of here though. Oh man, mechanical engineer on a genomics center. I know, what the hell. It's like, hey man, they're expanding, their business is expanding, man. He gives out insider good insider information for us. He loses his job. Oh god, yeah. Make sure all of you join the Discord though. Make sure you join. I want everyone in there. It's free Discord. We have amazing due diligence there. For their consumables and development, you would know the exact revenue coming in from the consumables, and you could verify what our due diligence is. You could verify these numbers and tell us what the percentage decrease from this. This is the max capacity that one sapphire can do per day, and then per month, and then per year, and then you times that by the cost, and then this is what you get for the year. All right, we're getting out of here. We're getting out. God, you guys are so good. All right, we're going to talk. We got so much to talk about. We got the Nasdaq, the Mora, Bitcoin, BNGO, JMIA. God, we have so much to talk about. We got it in the stream, though. I'm not going to have time. I'm not going to end time. We got it in the stream, boys. All right, we're out of here. I'm going to get out of here. Thank y'all so much. Make sure you say your reminder for the next stream. That is going to be amazing, all right? All right, thank y'all so much, man. Not financial advice. Thank y'all so much.